Holy God, we thank you for your
Mwari vatsvene,
goodness, your watch
tinokutendai
care over
nekunaka
us.
kwenyu,
We ask and pray that you
nekutitarira.
would be with us
Tonamata kuti muve
during
nesu
these sacred Sabbath hours so that we
mumaawa
may
matsvene
not only
eSabata,
receive a blessing from you, but
kuitira
that we
kuti
may be able to share
tisangogamuchira
blessings
chete
with one
chikomboro
another.
kubva kwamuri, asi
May our
tikwanise
time
kushaya
together
mablessings pakati pedu.
be
Dei
a
nguva
blessing
yedu
not
pamwe
only for
chete
us as
yaiva
humans, but also
chikomborero
for
kwete
the
kwatiri
onlooking
chete,
universe. May
isu
they
vanhu,
enjoy
asi
fellowshipping with us
kuyunivhesi yese
during this
yakatariswa.
sacred hour.
Dei vainge
In
vaenjoya
Jesus' name,
fellowship nesu
amen.
mumaawa matsvene aya muzita
So I
raJesu.
want to welcome
Amen.
everybody
Ndoda kuchingamidza
to
munhu
this
wese
Sabbath study today.
kuchidzidzo chesabata
As
chanhasi.
we were just told a moment ago, we do have some international visitors with
Sezvataudzwa,
us today.
tine mainternational visitors
So we have
patiri
more people
nhasi,
than I expected.
saka tine vanhu
And
vakawanda
with so many
kupfuura
people, it's actually not
vandanichitarisiwa.
that easy to know
Nevanhu
when
vakawanda
someone
haisi
wants
nyore
to
kuziva
communicate
kana munhu achida
or
kucommunicata
say something.
kana kuti achida kutaura chimwe chinhu.
So
Naizvozvo,
what I'm going to ask is that if you want to make a
zvandichakumbira
comment and I haven't
ndezvekuti kana
asked
muchida
you, just
kutaura ndisati
unmute yourself if you're able
ndakubvunzai,
to do that. Hopefully
vhurai
everybody is.
mamicrophone enyu kana muchikwanisa.
And just give me a little shout so I'll know that someone wants to make a comment,
Munongondiudza ndobva
and
ndaziva kuti
then you'll
vanhu
be
havana
able to
kutaura.
speak.
Munobva
I did ask
makwanisawo
in the
kutaura.
communication if our
Ndambotaurawo
international
mucommunication
visitors
kuti
could
kana mavisitors
perhaps
vedu vari
refrain
international
from
kana
responding
vaikwanisa kumbomira
until the local
kuresponda
members make their
kusvikira
point.
malocal members vataura
And
pfungwa dzavo.
if nobody is responding,
Kana pasina
and
ari
you have something to say, and you're
uine chaunoda kutaura
from abroad somewhere, please unmute yourself
uchibva
and
kunze
make a
uko
comment. But please give
unounmuta
priority to
woisa
the local
comment,
members here,
asi
and
ipai
those would
priority
be the
kumamembers vari
people in
pano,
Australia
ndo vanhu
and
vari
Fiji.
kuaustralia
They're the local
neFiji,
members. If you come from
ndo
another
malocal
location
members. Kana uri kubva kune imwe
and
nzvimbo
no local members are responding, please feel free
which is
to
pasina
give your
local member ari
thoughts.
kuresponda,
So
sunungukai kupa pfungwa dzenyu.
you remember that a couple of weeks ago, we
Tinorangarira kuti mavhiki
were on
apfuura
a mission trip to
taiva
Fiji,
kumission
and
trip
because of technical
kuFiji.
problems,
Nenyaya
we
yematechnical
were
problems
unable to record the meetings.
takazotadza kurekodha
So
mameeting
today's a
acho.
bit of a follow-up
Saka nhasi
from
tiri
one
kuita
of the
follow up
presentations
kubva pane imwe
that we did there. It
yemapresentations
wasn't actually a presentation,
atakaita
it was
ikoko. Yaisiri
a
presentation
question and
zvayo,
answer with
yaiva mibvunzo
the
nemhinduro
baptismal teachers at
nevadzidzisi verubhabhatidzo
the camp meeting there. And we were talking
kumumeeting
about
ikoko. Taitaura
the vows. So those who were there, hope you can
nezvemavhows.
remember that.
Saka vaivapo kana muchigona kurangarira
And
izvozvo.
I don't know if anybody can remember what
Handizozivi kana
vow
paine
we were
anogona kurangarira
discussing.
kuti vhau ripi rataitaura.
Anybody can unmute and respond to that.
Pana anogona kuvhura microphone yake oresponda
13.
kwazviri.
Yes,
Vow
we were looking at vow
13.
number 13.
Hongu taitarisa vow
So
number
I'm just
13.
going to, vow number
Saka
13, if you're all familiar with it,
tichangoenda
is
kuvow
in
13
4
kana tese
sections,
chizi.
4
Pane
paragraphs.
masection 4,
And
maparagraph 4.
we ended up focusing on the last paragraph. And the
Takapedzisira
last paragraph says,
takufokasa
do
paparagraph
you recognize
yekupedzisira
that the
inotaura
Sabbath
ichiti
as a memorial
unozviona
of
here
creation
iwewe kuti
represents the seal
sabata
of God,
semucherechedzo
and that
wecreation
Sunday worship
unomiririra
is the pagan
seal yaMwari,
counterfeit
uye
described
Sunday
by the
worship ndiyo
Bible
pagan
as the
counterfeit
mark of the
inotaurwa
beast.
nebhaibheri semunembo
So
wechikara.
that was the question that was posed
Ndo waiva mubvunzo
to
wakabvunzwa
the members. And I
kumamembers.
asked the question what the mark
Takazobvunza
of the
mubvunzo
beast was.
kuti mark of the beast
And we had
chii.
some interesting discussion about that.
Takava
And
nemadiscussion yaiva interesting pamusoro pazvo.
we came to a conclusion, but I think there were certain
Takazosvika
members there
paconclusion, asi tofunga kuti pane
who
mamembers ipapo
still were not clear about what the
zvangasa
conclusion was.
zvanyatsokuvajekera kuti
So someone asked
conclusion
me
yakazonzi
if I would
kudii.
mind
Saka pane akandibvunza kuti
going over that
ndinokwanisa here
study again,
kudzokorodza chidzidzo ichi zvakare.
and I've agreed to do that. So please feel free to respond
Saka
on the
inzwai
chat
makasununguka
for those
kuresponda pachat
who want to do
kune
that.
avo
Okay,
vanoda kuresponda.
so we're talking about the mark of the beast, and if you were to go to
Tichitaura
vow number
nezvemark of the
13, you
beast,
have
kana muchienda
some
kuvow 13
references. We have references from the book
nemareferences.
of Exodus, book
Tine
of
mareferences
Ezekiel,
kubva kubhuku raExodus,
Revelation, and
Ezekiel
Genesis. And the
neRevelation.
references in the book of Revelation are chapter 13 and chapter 14. So we're going to go there. We're going to go to Revelation 13 and 14.
Revelation 13 na 14.
If we're going to go to Revelation 13, what
Revelation
verses would we go to?
Mavhesi api atinoenda kwaari?
Who wants to venture what verse we would go to if we're going to talk about the mark of the beast?
Mark of the beast.
So someone has said verses 9 to 11. Thank you, Gloria. So let's go to those verses and see if that's correct. So I'll read verses 9 to 11. If any man have an ear, let him hear. He that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity, and he that killeth with the sword must be killed with the sword. Here is the patience and the faith of the saints. And I beheld another beast coming up out of the earth, and he had two horns like a lamb, and he spake as a dragon. So did I either misunderstand, or were they not the correct verses? I assume that meant verses 9 to 11. And the question was about the mark of the beast.
Mark of the beast.
Okay, so someone has said verse 16 and verse 17. So let's have a look at those verses. And if we go to verse 16, it says, and he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell, save he that hath the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name. So it's in verse 16 that we see mention this subject about a mark. So there's a mark that's mentioned in Revelation 13:16. So if we go to Revelation 14, let's just pop over to Revelation 14, and where would we see the mark there? Which verses would we go to? So I'm going to assume that when Gloria said verses 9 to 11, she was actually referring to Revelation 14, not 13. She hadn't made a mistake. Yes, she just said that there. So we'll read verses 9 and 11. We'll skip verse 10. And the third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, if any man worship the beast and his image and receive his mark in his forehead or in his hand, and then we'll skip verse 10. And the smoke of the torment ascended up forever and ever, and they have no rest day nor night, who worship the beast and his image, and whosoever receiveth the mark of his name. So we have a few verses that talk about the mark of the beast, and the question that we wanted to address in the study that we were having back in Fiji and the one we're having now is to try to understand what the mark of the beast is. So if we go to if we went back to the vow says, do you recognize the Sabbath as the memorial of creation, represents the seal of God, and that Sunday worship is the pagan counterfeit described by the Bible as the mark of the beast? So what is the vow teaching that the mark of the beast is? Well, we have vow 13. And it's paragraph 4.
Paragraph 4.
What does the vow teach? Someone can give an audio response. So if you're allowed, if you're able to unmute yourself and tell me what you think.
Is it Sunday worship?
Okay, so Ray says it's Sunday worship. And Ray, I don't know
Alright,
if you
saka
have
Ray
the
ati
vow in front of
kunamata
you, or if you
Sunday.
remembered what I said, or I
Ray,
can reread it
handizii kana
again.
une
Tell
vhawo
me why you
pamberi
think
pako.
it's Sunday worship.
Uchirangarira
Would you like me to
zvandataura.
read it again, or do you
Ndodzoti
remember?
uchifunga kuti kunamata Sunday. Unoda kuti ndiverengere kana kuti unorangarira.
Could you read it again, please? Sorry.
Sure. Do you recognize that the Sabbath, as a memorial of
Unoona here kuti
creation,
Sabata
represents the seal of
semucherechedzo
God, and that Sunday
wecreation
worship is the
unomiririra
pagan
seuya Mwari?
counterfeit described by the
Uye Sunday
Bible as the
worship
mark of the beast?
sepagan counterfeit inodescribwa neBible semunembo
So
wechikara.
yeah, just a
Saka
plain
hongu
simple reading of it
mukungoverenga
says
zviri
that
plain
Sunday
zviri
worship is
simple.
the pagan counterfeit,
Chinonzi
which
Sunday
the
worship
Bible
ndiyo
talks about as
pagan
being the mark of the
counterfeit
beast.
inotaurwa neBible
Okay.
sekuve
So
munembo wechikara.
we'll put Sabbath
Saka tichaisa Sabbath
equals the seal. That's what the vow
rakaenzana
teaches.
neseal ndozvinodzidziswa nevhao.
Sunday
Sunday
is the counterfeit
ndiro counterfeit.
seal.
Ndiyo counterfeit seal.
Is that what the vow teaches? If we're okay with that?
Ndozvinodzidziswa nevhao here kana
Unless
tichitiri
anybody
okay
That's
nazvo.
how I
disagrees.
understood it.
Unless paine asingabvumirani nazvo ndokunzwisawo kwaita Ray.
And then we said, or the vow says,
Tazoti
that
isusu kana kuti
it
vhao
also
rinozoti
equals the
zvinoenzanawo
mark. I'll
zvakare.
put mark of the beast like this. I normally
Mark
put
ndichaisa
MB, but some
munembo
people put
wechikara
OB. Mark of the
seizvi.
beast.
Ndangoisa MOB asi ndosisa MB kuitira munembo wechikara.
Does anybody? I'm not trying to. I'm not saying that the Sunday law is this test per se, but as the
Handisi
vow
kuti Sunday
reads,
law
does
nditest
anybody
iyi
disagree
asi
with that?
sekuverenga kunoita vhao pane
That the
anorambirana
Sabbath is
nazvo
the
here
seal of God,
kuti
that
Sabata
Sunday is
ndiro
the
seal
counterfeit
yaMwari,
seal,
Sunday
and
ndiyo
that the
counterfeit seal,
counterfeit seal is the mark of
uye
the beast.
counterfeit
Does
seal
anybody
ndiwo munembo
disagree with
wechikara.
that
Pane
statement as
asingabvumirani
it stands?
nekutaura ikoko here sezvakwakamira
Either I could
kwakaita.
say in the logic or pre-dispensation
Ndogona
or
kuti
how
either
Ellen White would teach
mulogic
it. We
kana
know
kuti
that
mudispensation
it's
rapfuura
not a
kana kuti
Sabbath
kudzidzisa
Sunday
kwaita Ellen
issue
White.
today. I'm not trying to
Toziva
make
kuti
that point.
nhasi
So
haisisiri
don't respond
Sabbath
in that
Sunday
way.
issue, haisiri
So
pfungwa yandoda
someone could
kudzidzisa. Saka musarispenda
give me their
nenzira
thoughts
iyoyo.
if
Saka
they
munhu akatipawo
disagree or
pfungwa dzake
agree with
kana
the
achitenderana
vow
kana
as it
kurambirana
stands.
nevhao sekumira
Is it
kwarakaita.
correct or is it a mistake?
Riri correct here kana
Who was
kuti
speaking?
imistake? Ndiani ari
It's
kutaura?
correct.
Okay.
Riri correct.
So if people can give their name and then the response, was that still Ray? Sometimes I can't tell.
Mukandipa
It's
zita
great.
neresponse.
Oh, hi, Greg. Okay, thank you. So it sounded a bit different. That's why I wasn't sure. So if people can give their name and then the
Zvashinzwika
response.
zviri
So
different.
you said it's correct. Is that right?
Yes,
Saka
that's
Greg
correct.
ati zviri
Okay.
correct.
Does anybody think it's they disagree with that?
Pane anofunga kuti haatenderani nazvo here?
Or does everybody say, yep,
Catherine here, and I'm not
Kathleen?
really sure on what the question is. Sorry, are you asking whether we still think
Handinyatsozva
that
kuti
this
mubvunzo
is true
ndewekuti kudii.
across today, or
Muri kuti tiri
whether
kufunga
we
kuti
agree that
zvichiri
that's what the
chokwadi
vow
nhasi
says?
here
I'm not
kana kuti tiri kungobvuma
because
kuti ndo
Okay.
zviri kutaura
So
vhao. Ndaane
neither of those.
confusion.
So my question is not
Hazvapa
what we
hazvisi
believe
zvandiri
today, because we
kutaura
know
zvese
that
zviri zviviri.
if we were call it,
Handisi kubvunza
if we
kuti
were to
nhasi
call it
tiri
the great
kutenda
test,
chii.
the great test
Kana
is
totaura
not the
nezvegreat
Sabbath
test.
Sunday question.
Great
So we
test
agree with
haisi
that.
mubvunzo
So
weSabata
that's not my
neSunday.
question.
Saka
And
hausiriwo
I
mubvunzo
think
wangu.
enough of us have said that
Vazhinji vedu
what the vow
vati
teaches is what we've got
vhao
on the board. So I'm
zvarinodzidzisa
not asking
ndo
that
zviripo
question.
pabhodhi
My
izvo.
question
Saka
is,
hausiriwo mubvunzo
does the
wandiri
vow,
kubvunza.
which
Mubvunzo
is
wangu
paragraph 4,
ndewekuti
does that
vhao inova
represent
paragraph 4
what our
inomiririra here
or an Adventist understanding is, or our previous
kunzwisisa
understanding, or
kwemuadventist kana
what
kuti
Ellen White
kunzwisisa
says
kwataimboita
about
kare
this
kana kuti
subject?
zvinotaurwa
That's my
naEllen
question.
White maererano
Is
nechidzidzo ichi.
is there a
Ndo
mistake in the
mubvunzo wangu.
vow
Pane
with respect
mistake
to
mukunyorwa
our
kwevhao here
normal understanding
maererano
of what the great test
nekunzwisisa kwedu
was
kuri
to
normal
be
kwekuti
in the previous
test huru
dispensation?
yaifanira kunge iri chii
Because if it's
mudispensation
wrong, then we should
rapfuura.
understand if it's wrong.
Nekuti
If it's
kana
correct,
zviri
then we
wrong
would want to
tofanira
understand
kuzvinzwisisa.
what
Kana zviri
the current
correct
application
tete
is.
akuda kuzonzwisisa
So
manje kuti
that's
application
why I'm
yaizvi
asking the
nezvi
question.
inenge iri
Is
chii.
the logic
Ndosaka
correct? Is this what
ndikubvunza
we
mubvunzo
believe
wangu.
that it
Logic
all
iri
is?
correct here?
Go ahead, Catherine.
Ndozvatinotenda here kuti izvi ndo
yes. So I
zvazviri.
think
Hongu
that's
saka
I think it's correct
ndofunga
as far
kuti
as
zviri
Verse
correct
Spirit of Prophecy teaches, as far as
as
I
far
understand.
as zvinodzidziswa
Okay,
nemweya
so that's
wechiprofita.
good. We've got a fair few people here, and
Okay,
nobody's
saka
disagreed with
zvakanaka.
that. So
Taane
these
vanhu
vows have been around
vatenderana nazvo
for
hapana
8 years
rambirana.
now. They
Mavhao
were
aya anga ako kwemakore 8
presented to the movement in 2016.
akapiwa kumovement
So they've been
2016
around for a long time, and I've not heard
saka
anybody
anga apo kwenguva refu.
challenge
Anamboona
this
mumwe
vow,
munhu akauya
particularly this paragraph.
akachallenja vhao iyi nyanye
So it
nyanye
seems to have stood the
paragraph
test
iyi.
of time. So
Saka
I would
inoita
take that
kunge
as
yakaita
we
stand the
agree
test
now
of the time.
that
Saka
our original
ndochitora sekuti
understanding
tinotenderana
of
kuti kunzwisisa kwedu kuri
the
original
mark of the beast
kwemunembo
is an
wechikara
agreement with inspiration, that it
kuri
is in fact
mukubvumirana neinspiration
Sunday
kuti
sacredness or the counterfeit
isunday
seal.
sacredness kana kuti counterfeit
So,
seal. Saka
not answering the question about what it currently is,
hatisi
but let's
kupindura
go
mubvunzo
back
wekuti
into
izvezvi chii,
the mind of
asi
Ellen White
ngatidzokerei
or
kupfungwa
Adventism.
dzaEllen White
So does
kana kuti
everybody think
Adventism.
or agree that the Sabbath
Munhu wese
is the
anofunga
seal of
here kana
God?
kutenderana kuti sabata ndiyo seal yaMwari.
Anybody disagree with that?
Pane anorambirana nazvo here?
Okay, sounds like everybody agrees that the Sabbath is the seal of God.
Zvinoita sekunge
Has
munhu
the
wese
Sabbath
anotenderana kuti sabata
always
ndiyo
been
seal
viewed
yaMwari.
as the seal of God?
Sabata rakagara
Or is
richingoonekwa
that
here
an
sesil yaMwari
Adventist
kana
interpretation?
kuti kuturikira kwemaadventists?
Adventist.
Kuturikira
So is that Molly?
kwemaadventists.
Yes?
Yes.
Saka ndimoli here?
Okay,
Hongu.
so Molly says
Alright.
this is
Saka moli
not a
anoti
biblical truth
uye
in the
hachisi
sense that
chokwadi
it actually
chemubhaibheri
says it explicitly, but
pakuti
this is an
zvinotongotaurwa
Adventist
zvakadaro mubhaibheri,
interpretation
asi
of what
kuturikira
the seal of
kwemasabata
God is. Does
kwekuti seal
anybody
yaMwari
disagree
chii?
with that?
Pane anorambirana nazvo here?
It's Raymond. I think
Ndi
the
Raymond.
Jews saw it as a something
Ndofunga
that
kuti
set them apart.
maJews
I don't know if they would have used the
vaiona
term
sabata
like
sechinhu
seal,
chinovapatseura.
but I think
Handisi
how
kuti
they
vakashandisa
saw
mavara
it
ekuti seal here.
as setting them
Asi
as distinctly
kuona
God's people
kwavaita vaiona kunge sabata
is
rinovaita kuti vaonekwe vari vanhu
very
vaMwari zviri
similar
distinct,
to the way that Adventism does.
zvakafanana nzira
Okay,
iyo
so
masabata
ancient
vanozviona.
Israel or the Jewish people
Saka
would
Israeri
have
yakare kana kuti
seen that what sets
maJudha
them apart from the rest of the world
vaiona
is the
kuti chinhu
Sabbath,
chaivapatsanura kubva
but
kunyika
you're not
yese
sure whether or not
isabata,
they would
asi hauna
define
shuwa
the
kuti
seal of God
vaizodhifaina seal
as
yaMwari
the
here
Sabbath in a
sesabata
I'll
nenzira
say it in a literal sense or in a
nenzira iri
codified
literal
way, that you can
kana
go
kuti
to
nenzira iri
inspiration and it will
codified,
show that very
kuti waitoenda
clearly
kuinspiration
that it is
yotiratidza
in
zviri
fact the
pachena
Sabbath that is
kuti
God's
zvechokwadi
seal.
isabata rinova iro
Have
seal
I
yaMwari.
understood you correctly?
Ndokunzwisisa
Yeah, I think
kwandaita
so.
here?
Okay.
Hongu
Anyone else?
ndozvandafunga. Alright.
Okay,
Pane
so
mumwe here?
someone, so Pedro has given us, I
Pedro
think that's Ezekiel
atipa
20. I'm going to say with
Ezekiel
Ezekiel
20.
20. Is that right, Pedro?
Tichataenda naEzekiel 20 ndizvo here Pedro?
Yep. Okay. Ezekiel 20, verse 12. So I'll read it
Alright.
out. I
Ezekiel
gave
20
them
verse
my
12
Sabbaths
ndichaiverenga.
as a sign
Ndakavapa
between
masabata
me
angu
and them, that they might
semucherechedzo
know
pakati
that
pangu
I am the
navo, kuti
Lord who
vagoziva
sanctifies
kuti
them.
ini ndini Mwari
So
anova sanctify.
sanctification we could
Saka sanctification
describe in various
tinogona
ways.
kuitaura
But
nenzira dzakasiyana.
if we go with the
Asi
definition to
tikaenda
say that
nedefinition
it
yekuti
is something that's set apart for holy
chinhu
use.
chinenge
That's a pretty
chapatsanurwa choiswa
standard
padivi
movement position
chishandiswe
or
zviri holy.
definition
Ndo
of
standard
what
movement
sanctification
position
is.
kana
Sanctification is
definition yekuti sanctification
set
chii.
apart for some different
Sanctification
purpose.
kutseurwa woiswa
And
padivi
God says,
kwepurpose iri
I
yakasiyana.
have set
Mwari
apart or
anoti
sanctified Israel, if we're okay with
ndakapatsanura
that part.
ava
And then it says,
veIsraeri
I
kana
gave
tiri
them
okay
my
nepati
Sabbaths as
ndakavapa
a
masabata
sign
angu
between God
semucherechedzo pakati
and
paMwari
Israel,
neIsraeri,
that Israel may know that I have
kuti
set them
Israeri
apart.
igoziva kuti
So
ndakava
is that a
ita
fair
set apart.
representation or
Saka
paraphrase,
ndo
Pedro?
representation iri fair here kana paraphrase Pedro.
Okay, so
Alright, saka
do you see that as does anybody, or Pedro, do you see that as a proof text
iwe Pedro
that
kana mumwe
the
munhu
Sabbath
unoiona
is
here
the
iri proof
seal?
text
Are
kuti
we
sabata
going to
ndiyo
see
seal.
somewhere in those
tichaona
words
here
a seal.
pamwe
Maybe it's the sign
mumashoko
or
iwayo
something
kuti
like that.
sabata iseal kana kuti sign kana
Is
zvinhu
that the
zvakadaro.
logic?
Ndiyo logic here.
Okay, so Pedro sees that as the proof text. Anyone else?
Okay, saka Pedro anoiona iri proof text. Pane mumwe here zvakare.
Okay, so someone's speaking about a phylactery on their head. Sometimes they
Saka
wear it on
pana
their
ari kutaura
forearms.
nezvefilacti
A phylactery,
yaipfekwa
I'm going to
pahuma.
tell me if I'm wrong on this, is a little box, often of leather,
Filacti
that you strap
kabox
around your forehead
kadiki
or on your
keleda
arm,
kawaisungirira
and
pahuma yako kana paruoko
inside it
rwako.
is
Mukati mako
a note or a document or the law
maiva
itself,
nechinyorwa
so that you have
kana
it
kuti mutemo
constantly, a
pachezvawo
constant reminder.
kuti
And if
ugove
I think I'm correct,
chinhu
that you put it on
chinokurangaridza
your
zviri
forehead or
constant
actually on your arm,
waichipfeka pahuma kana kuti
which
paruoko
is
kana ndiri
why
kure.
it speaks of, we'll talk about Revelation later on, but
Ndo saka
you'll see
tichizotaura
the connection
nezvaRevelation
between the right hand and the forehead.
uchaona connection
If you were
pakati
to,
peruoko
if we
rwerudyi
get a chance to go
nerwuma.
to Revelation and discuss
Kana
that.
tiine chance
So is that the
yekuenda
point that you're making,
naRevelation
Susan?
tichizotaura izvozvo.
Yes.
Ndo pfungwa
Yeah.
yawaitaura here
Okay.
Susan.
So just want to jump back to Ezekiel 20
tikadzokera
verse 12.
kuna Ezekiel
Just want to
20
point out that
12
it
verse
says
12
Sabbaths, and
tongotaura
I
kuti
don't know
iri
how
kuti
people read
masabata.
that. Is that the
Handiti
seventh
vanhu
day Sabbath it's
vanozviverenga
talking
sei?
about,
Ndiro
or is
sabata
it
re7th
all
day
the
here
Sabbaths of the
rairi
ceremonial
kutaura
system?
kana kuti masabata ese eceremonial system.
7-day Sabbath.
Okay, so
Sabata rezuva
sorry, Molly
rechinomwe.
thinks it's just the seventh day
Saka
Sabbath.
Molly ari
It's
kufunga
not
kuti
all the
isabata rezuva
ceremonial
rechinomwe
system.
haasi maceremonial system yese.
Yep. So Greg says it's plural, which is why I asked the question.
Greg ari kuti zviri plural ndosaka
Because
ndabvunza
people will
mubvunzo.
disagree with it being the seventh
Nekuti
day
vanhu
Sabbath. That's the only reason I
vanorambirana
was asking
nekuti
that point.
i7th day Sabbath. Ndosaka
If
ndachibvunza
you
mubvunzo iwoyo.
read commentators, or even if you go into the
Ukaverenga
context of the passage,
vanokomenta ukaenda
people
mucontext
have
yepaseji yacho
different opinions
vanhu
of what that
vane
is talking
kufunga
about.
kwakasiyana
Whether it's
kwekuti
talking about
zviri
the
kutaura
whole
nezvei.
sanctuary
Kutaura here
system,
nezvesanctuary
which
system
sets
yese
God's people
izere
apart from the rest of the
inoita
world, or it's
set apart
just the
vanhu vamwari
Sabbath that
kubva
does that.
kunyika kana kuti ingori sabata chete rinoita izvozvo.
Okay, so maybe people would want to think about that.
Saka
I
vanhu
guess
vanogona
my only
kunofungawo
point is that it
nezvazvo.
may not be
Pfungwa yangu
a
yandanga ndichida kungoburitsa
definitive
ndeyekuti
proof text,
inogona kunge isiri
just
proof
because of
text
that,
iri
and we'd have to look into
definitive
the context as
nekuda
well.
kwaizvozvo
So
tofana kutarisa
Susan has
zvakare
said
necontext
that
yacho.
people wear
Saka Susan
these
ati
phylacteries,
vanhu
which are
vaipfeka
basically little
mafilacti
boxes
aya
with
anova tumabox tudiki
inspiration in them, often the law,
tune tuine
and they
inspiration
strap
kana
it to their
mutemo
body as a
matwuri
physical
kubva vasungirira
reminder.
pamiviri
So
yavo
why
kuti
would you
varambe
see that
vachirangarira.
as
Sei waizoona izvozvo
proof that the Sabbath is the seal?
seproof yekuti sabata ndiro seal?
Well, I think the significance of it being strapped to the
Ndofunga kuti
forehead, I
significance
hadn't
yekunge
known
chakasungirirwa
about the arm
pahuma
like you've mentioned, so that's
ndasina kuziva
additional
hangu nezveruoko
information.
sezvamataura
But
information
it just seems
yaederwa
to me that
asi
because the mind
kwandiri
is where
zvinongoita
you're
sekunge
sealed,
nekuda
that
kuti pfungwa
to
ndo
them that
paunosilwa
is sort of a
kwavari
literal
yaiva
interpretation,
interpretation
that
iri
they're living
literal
out.
yavaitorarama.
Okay, so you've said that
Alright.
we're sealed in our
Saka
mind.
wati isusu
And
tinosilwa pahuma.
if someone else knows the answer, if you do, where do we get this idea that we have the seal in our mind?
Pfungwa iyi tinoiwana kupi kuti
Should
tinosilwa
I let
mupfungwa
someone
dzedu?
else, Elder Parminder, because I'm a visitor?
Tinogona kupa
Yeah,
mumwe
let's give
munhu
someone
ere
else a
mukana,
chance, and
Elder
if
Parminder,
nobody does, you
nekuti ndiri
can
muvisit.
don't
Unogona
wait
kupa
too
mumwe
long.
munhu mukana.
Give
Kana
people a few
pasina
minutes,
pamhinduro,
a few seconds. If
usazomira
they
nguva
don't respond,
yakareba.
jump in and tell
Tongowapa
us where you
maseconds
see
mashoma,
the seal
vakasaresponda. Unotiudza paunoona seal.
is the mind.
Revelation 14:1.
Kuti
Revelation
ivaka.
14:1, and I looked, and lo, a lamb. Oh, who was that, by the
Revelation
way?
14:1. Ndiani apindura zviya?
Taylor.
Taylor. Thank you. And I looked, and lo, a lamb stood on the Mount Zion,
Ndakatarisa
and with him
ndikaona
144,000,
gwayana
having
yakamira
his father's
paMount
name
Zion iine
written in their
144,000
foreheads.
vaine zita
So you're
rakanyorwa
going to
pahuma
take
dzavo.
the father's
Saka
name,
uchatora zita
whatever
ranzi
that name
zita
would be,
rababa
if
iro
it's God, and it's
pamwe
written
neriri
in
zita
their
raMwari
foreheads.
rine
Is that your
rakanyorwa
proof
pahuma
text?
pavo. Ndiyo proof text yako here?
I guess so.
Good. Okay, you don't sound as
Ndofunga
confident now.
kudaro.
I'm not sure why.
Right.
Susan, do you want to?
Confidence
Did you have a
dzako
different proof
hadzisina
text?
unyanya. Haminoti nei. Susan,
Oh,
I
wangova
did.
Revelation
different proof text
14:9.
here.
Someone had 14:9. I read
Revelation
14:1.
14:9. Pane ati Revelation
14:9. And the
ndaverenga
third angel
verse
followed them,
1.
saying with a loud voice, if any man worship the beast
Girosi
and his image
chitatu
and receive his
yakatevera
mark in his
ikati
forehead or in his
nezwi guru.
hand.
Kana paita anogamuchira
Sorry, Susan, you were saying?
nekuchikara pahuma kana kuti
No, I
paruoko.
was going to use our logic and our reasoning, and that's your
Ini
cognitive
ndanichazongoshandisa logic
ability
yedu
there. So,
nereasoning yedu kuti
but yes,
i-cognitive
the
ability
proof
apa.
texts,
Asi
that's
hongu,
correct. I
se
believe
proof
that's
text,
the
I think
answer.
zviri correct. Ndofunga kuti ndo mindu.
Okay, so does anybody want to tie that
Alright.
together?
Saka pana nda kuti batanidzira here
Verse
zvinhu
1 says
izvi.
Father's name,
Verse 1 yati
doesn't
zita
mention Sabbath,
rababa
doesn't mention the seal.
inotaura sabata
And
here kana kuti
if we compare and
inotaura seal
contrast
here.
that to verse 9,
Tikaita compare
talks about
necontrast paverse
a
9
mark in this forehead.
inotaura nezve
So we have
mark
forehead
muforehead.
and forehead, so we can connect the two
Tine
verses
forehead
together.
neforehead.
So it compares the mark
Tikabatanidza
with the
mavhesi maviri
Father's
aya
name or God's
toti
name.
mark nezita raMwari.
It's Catherine here. Yeah, I feel like you've just explained it
Catherine
anyway.
panapa. Ndofunga kunge
But yes, you've got to compare and
matozvitsanangura
contrast the
kuti
mark with the seal,
unocompare
and the mark is
necontrasta
in the
mark
forehead
neseal.
in verse
Mark
14,
iri pahuma.
chapter 14, verse 9 of Revelation.
Chapter
Okay.
14 verse 9
And then
Revelation.
chapter 14, verse 1 is got the name of God in the
Chapter
forehead.
14
So
verse
then you're
1
connecting
ine
the
zita
name of God with the
raMwari
seal,
pahuma.
because both of them
Ukabatanidza
in the
zita
forehead.
raMwari neseal.
So how are you
Zvese zviri
connecting the
zviviri
name of
zvinenge zviri
God
pahuma.
with a seal
Saka uri
and then going
kubatanidza
back to the
sei zita
Sabbath?
raMwari neseal wozodzokera
So
iwe
I
kusabata.
put the mark. The
Saka
mark is
ndaisa
located in the
mark.
forehead.
Mark inoiswa
So
pahuma.
comparing and contrasting with the seal,
Tikacompare nekucontrasta
which
neseal
is God's mark, if you like to put it as that way,
inova
use the
mark
word mark. The
yaMwari.
mark of God is
Kana
must
ukazvitaura
also be in the
seizvozvo.
forehead, because the
Mark
mark of the
yaMwari
beast is in the
inofana
forehead.
kuiswawo pahuma. Nekuti mark of the
So,
beast iri pahuma.
and then
Saka
connecting that with the
ndobva
Sabbath, because
tazoconnecta izvi neSabbath nekuti
is that the missing link that I've got? Connecting the
ndo
seal with the
missing link
Sabbath.
here.
Where
Connecta
did you
seal
get
neSabbath.
go from God's name
Iwo
to
wabva
seal
pazita
to
raMwari
Sabbath?
ukaenda paseal ukaenda paSabbath wazviwana kupi?
I'm confused. Maybe I'll let somebody else have a turn. I
Ndane
think I've got myself in a
confusion.
muddle.
Pamwe munhu
Let me
anogona
try again.
kutaurawo kana
Okay,
kutsvake
we've got
mazano
Mark.
zvakare.
Mark in the forehead,
Alright.
fine. We've got name
Tine
in the
mark
forehead,
pahuma.
fine.
Tine zita pahuma.
So
And
then
I
you
see
could
the
say
seal.
Mark
zvakanaka.
is the same as the name, if you're going to use that.
Wazoti mark
I agree with that.
yakafanana nezita kana uchigona kushandisa
Then where do
And
you
then
go
izvi
from there?
zvinotenderana
I
nazvo.
think I'm saying that
Tazoenda kupi
the
kubva
seal of
ipapo?
God is an equivalent way of saying the mark of
Ndofunga
God.
ndikuti seal
So
yaMwari
just
yakaenzana
comparing
nekuti
and
mark
contrasting those
yaMwari. Saka kungofananidza nekusiyanisa zviviri
two
izvi
things with each other means that the seal equals a
zvoreva
mark,
kuti seal yakaenzana
and so
nemark.
therefore that's equal with the name.
Saka zvinobva
Maybe I'll let somebody
zvaenzana
else have a go.
nezita.
I'm sorry.
Pamwe
Anyone
munhu
else?
anogona kupindura zvake. Pane mumwe here?
Okay, so people are saying we can just go to a spirit prophecy quote.
Vanhu vari kuti togona
The
kungoenda
problem with the spirit prophecy
kuquotation.
quote is it's an
Dambudziko
Adventist
requotation ndeyekuti
perspective.
muono wemasabata.
Oh, Tony is saying the fourth commandment. If you give me a verse,
Tony ati
we've got
fourth
fourth
commandment.
commandment, we've got
Ukandipawo
Exodus. Tell me
verse.
where we have a verse where it
Tina
says it's
fourth
the seal.
commandment, Exodus. Tipawo verse inotiradza kuti
Ezekiel 20:12.
isiyo.
Ezekiel 20:20.
Pane ati Ezekiel
Okay,
20:12,
so
Ezekiel
I'm going to go to
20:20.
Ezekiel 20:12. You said.
What is Ezekiel 20 verse 12?
Yes, Elder Parminder.
Okay,
Hongu Elder Parminder.
we've already read Ezekiel 20 verse 12. That's what Pedro
Tatoverenga
gave us. It
Ezekiel
says, I
20
gave
verse
them my
12
Sabbath
ndozvatapiwa
as a sign
naPetro
between me and
kuti
them, that
ndakavapa
they might know
masabata
that I
angu
am the Lord who
sesaini
sanctifies
pakati
them.
pangu navo kuti vagoziva kuti
So
ndini
we've already
Mwari
done that one. And your other
anovapatsanura.
verse was what?
Totoita iyi verse iyi.
In verse 22, verse 20.
Verse 22.
Give me the chapter and the verse.
Ndipo chapter neverse.
Ezekiel 20:20.
Ezekiel 20.
Ezekiel 20, what verse?
Verse
22?
Verse 22 here.
20.
20. And hallow my Sabbaths, and they shall be a
20.
sign between me and you,
Koshesa
that ye may
masabata
know
angu
that
achava
I
sign
am the
pakati
Lord
pangu
your
nemi
God.
kuti mugoziva
So
kuti
we have a
ndini
Sabbath
Mwari
as a
Jehovha Mwari
sign.
wenyu. Saka sabata
Okay, someone said, now we've gone to Exodus 31:17. It is a sign between
pane
me and the
ati
children of
Exodus
Israel
31
forever.
verse
For in 6 days
17
the Lord
isign
made
pakati
heaven and earth,
pangu neIsrael
the fourth commandment being
nekusingaperi
the only one referencing God's
zvakataurwa
name.
naJehovha akasika denga nepasi. Zvotaura nezvezita raMwari.
Okay, someone give me a spirit of prophecy quote. Someone said EGY or spirit of prophecy. Let's go with that one. By the way, I'm happy. I'm okay with people's answers. I'm not trying to knock them out, whatever. But I just want us to realize that all of this is
maansa evanhu handisi kuzama kuda kumabvisa, ndoda kuti tingoona kuti zvese izvi zvakagadzirwa
by proof
nelogic.
texting or
Hazvina
going from
kuconstructwa
one verse to
neproof
another in a
texting
systematic
kana kubva kune
fashion,
rimwe
which is
vhesi
what essentially
tichienda
proof
kune rimwe
texting is, that
nenzira
shows a clear
yesystematic zvinova izvo
association.
proof texting.
Because here we've got
Inotiratidza
God's name
association iri
is the
clear.
mark. We use
Apa tine
proper
zita
methodology
raMwari
to do
ndiro
that.
mark.
All of this
Inova
was just a
methodology iri
statement,
proper kuzviita.
but this is the first one we've got,
Kwakungori
and
statement
we haven't.
kwokutanga. Asi izvi
I
zviri
would
pazasi
argue,
statement yaMwari.
as if we're doing a baptismal class with somebody, we haven't
Hatikuita
got to the
baptismal class
God's
nemunhu.
name to a
Hatisati
seal
tatosvika
to a
pazita
Sabbath.
raMwari. Tikaenda
So
pasil,
someone's put their
tikaenda
hand up. I
paSabbath.
don't know whose hand that is.
Pane asimudza ruoko
Or is it my
rwake
hand? I don't
handizoti
know. I put my own
ruoko
hand
rwake
up.
nderipi.
Lower hand. I put my own hand up. I don't know how it does that.
Ndinda ndasimudza minoti zvinoita.
There's something about Zoom that's anyway. Someone else, give me a spirit prophecy quote or something. Tell me how we get
Ndipewo
all of
spirit
that.
of prophecy quote. Ndiudze kuti
I don't have a spirit of prophecy quote, but I have the. What
handina
about going back
quotation
to
yespirit of
Genesis
prophecy
2
but ko tikadzokera kuna Genesis 2
and
Genesis
verse
2.
3?
Genesis 2:3.
Genesis 2 ndima
Yeah.
3.
And
2
God
and
blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because in it he had rested from all his work which God created and made. So God sanctified, set it apart for holy use. How does that help?
Ikaverengwa iyi inotibatsira
Quite
sei
special.
zvese zvataurwa izvi?
It's not a day that's common. As far as
We
God
could,
This is very
I
common.
think we could get that from Ezekiel 20.
Ndofunga kuti tinogona
We could
kuzviwana
get
kuna
that from
Ezekiel
Exodus
20
31.
zvakare.
There's two verses,
Nekuna
or
Exodus
the two verses that
31
Pedro gave us.
mavhesi
So
2 atapiwa naPetro.
Exodus 2 doesn't give us any
Exodus
additional
2
information than
haitipi
we've already got.
information inowedzerwa than yatitori nayo
Okay.
kare.
Okay, so
Pass.
Tina says, Sabbath is a character of God, which is the Father's
Panati
name.
Sabata icharacter
So now we're saying the
yaMwari
Sabbath is a
zita
character of God.
raBaba. Saka kuti Sabata icharacter yaMwari here.
Enemies of God's law, from the ministries down to the least, have I new concept. Too late to see the Sabbath of the fourth commandment as the seal of the living God. Okay, so we've got a spirit of prophecy quote there that says the Sabbath is the seal of God.
Saka pane quotation inoti Sabata
Revelation
iseal
9:4
yaMwari.
have not the seal of God in their foreheads, referring to the counterfeits, and
Revelation
God's
9
seal
verse 4.
would also be on the forehead. Okay, so let's go to Revelation 9:4. That's a good verse.
Handei kuna Revelation 9 verse 4 ivhesi rakanaka.
Revelation 9:4. And it was commanded them that they
Revelation
should
9
not
verse
hurt
4.
the grass of the
Vakaudzwa
earth,
kunzi
neither any green thing
vasakuvadza
nor any
uswa
tree, but
hwepasi
only
kana
those men
chinhu
which have
chegreen
not
kana
the
miti,
seal of God in their
asi vanhu avo
foreheads.
vasina seal yaMwari
So
mumaforeheads mavo.
we've got God's name and we've got the
Tine
seal.
zita raMwari,
So now we've
apa
got a
tine
proof
seal.
text that
Apa tineta
connects the
neproof
seal
text
with the mark.
inobatanidza seal nemark.
So that was Revelation 9:4.
Iyi ndizvakazarurwa
So
9
all we need to
ndima
do
4.
now is to
Zvatakungofana
work
kuita
out
chete kuchiweka out manje
how we go from seal to Sabbath. So we've got God's name
kuti tinobva
and the
paseal
seal.
sei
So we
takuenda
can do
kuSabbath.
that. We
Saka
can do
zita
God's
raMwari
name
taanaro
and the seal
neseal
are
takugona kuita
synonymous
izvozvo
one with another,
zvakafanana
and their equivalent is the mark of the beast.
equivalent yazvo imark of the beast.
So someone's given me a response, and it's so complicated, I don't actually understand it. So I'm not going to be able to respond on that.
Response
But
complicated
it looks
andisukona
good. Okay, so can we connect the name to the character of God? Yes, we can connect a name to a character. That's how the different names of God refer to the different aspects of God's character. Often we do the same. We see that in many Bible stories. Okay, so we've got a Spirit of Prophecy quote, and we've got a Bible verse that almost gets us to it.
How about chapter 7, verse 2
Of what book?
of Revelation?
Revelation 7:2. And I saw another angel ascending from the east, having the seal of the living God, and cried with a loud voice to the four angels to whom it was given to hurt, and to hurt the earth and the sea, saying, hurt not the earth, neither the sea, nor the trees, till we have sealed the servants of our God in their forehead. Okay, so we've got the seal here. Just want to remind us, the reason why this is a purely Adventist phenomena is because the rest of the world doesn't recognize the mark of the beast as being Sunday. I think we're the only people, denomination, however you want to view it, that actually have this idea. Is that correct? I don't think other denominations see Revelation in the same way that we do. They might get, they can use all the same logic that we've used with respect to the name, the seal. Revelation 9, Revelation 7 is the mark of the beast. They could get all of that logic, but this one here, they can't get because they don't recognize the seal as the Sabbath. And I would suggest the reason they don't do that is because it's not clear. It's not clearly laid out in the Bible that this is the case. Does anybody want to comment on that? So Pedro has asked, what came first, understanding the seal as the Sabbath or the mark as Sunday? Is that a rhetorical question, or you're not sure the answer?
No, I actually don't know what came first for Adventists.
Okay, I don't know the answer as well, to be honest, which one came first. But I think they came around, there was a development. So we know that much of Daniel and Revelation was spoken about by Protestantism right through the Dark Ages, into the Methodist Church, into the Baptist Church, and then into the Millerite movement, and then into Adventism. So it's been a progressive work that has developed over hundreds of years. But if you talk about Adventism, it would have developed over decades. So I don't know if it's that easy to trace how you do that. Often we go straight to the Spirit of Prophecy, and Ellen White will have given us this information relatively early on in her writings. Not like 1844 early on. It could be a couple of decades after that before it was mature enough to get to this place of understanding. So I think it's been a progressive work to try to understand what all of this has meant. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to say all of that is just to make sure that we know that these are not proof text subjects that we're dealing with respect to the mark of the beast. I want to read the Spirit of Prophecy quote to us now.
quotation ye-spirit of prophecy
I can
kwathile
find it.
kha ndikayiwana.
Okay. I had it somewhere and I can't find it now. Let me see if I can
Ndandinayo
get to
asi
it.
handichayiwani. Regai ndione kuti
Okay.
ndogona kudzokera
I'm going to go
kwayo.
to Great Controversy, page
Chained up Great Controversy,
445, paragraph 2.
page
Great
445, paragraph
Controversy,
2. Great Controversy,
page 445, paragraph 2.
page 445, paragraph 2.
And we're not going to read the whole of the paragraph, but there's an
Hatikuzoverenga
interesting
paragraph
statement
yacho yese. Asi
that's
pane
right at the
kutaura kuri
end, the
interesting
very last
kuri
sentence. I'm just going to
pekupedzesera.
go,
Sentence yekupedzesera.
I'll read the
Asi
whole paragraph,
ndichangoenda
but it's the last
chaverenga
sentence
paragraph yacho yese.
that you want to
Last
pick up on.
sentence.
The beast with two horns causeth or commands all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their
chakaitsa kuti
forehead,
vese
and
vave
that no man
nemark
might
pa-right
buy
hand
or sell, save he that had the
paforehead,
mark
kuti
or the
pasava
name of the
neanotenga
beast or the number of his
nekutengesa
name.
kunze kwaane
The
mark
third angel's warning is,
nenhamba
if any man
yechikara.
worship the beast and his
Girosi
image and
yechitatu
receive his
yakatipa
mark
warning
or in
kuti
his
kana
forehead
paine
or in his hand, the
anonamata
same shall
chikara
drink of the wine of the wrath
nekugamuchira
of God.
munembo wacho,
Most of this is all Bible
uyo
verses. The
achanwa
beast
waini
mentioned this
yekutsamwa
in this
kwaMwari.
message,
Beast
whose worship is
inotaurwa
enforced by the
mumessage iyi.
two-horned beast, is the first
Kunamatwa
or
kwayo
leopard-like beast,
kunoenforcwa
the papacy.
ne-two-horned beast
The image
rinova
of the beast
leopard-like
represents
beast,
that form of apostate
papacy. Image of the
Protestantism
beast
which will be
inorepresenta
developed when the Protestant
Protestantism
churches shall
iyo
seek the aid of the civil
ichadevelopwa kana
power for the
maprotestant
enforcement of
churches
their dogmas.
vachatsvaka
So that's all the preamble. And then she says,
masimba
the mark of the beast
epepawo kuti
still
vaise
remains
madogmas
to
ayo
be
ndo
defined.
preamble inobva yati mark of the beast ichafanira
So I
kuzonyatso
don't know if that's a
kudefine.
new thought to everybody,
Handizivi kuti iyi pfungwa yenyu
but
vanhu
Ellen
kune
White's
vanhu
going to
vese here.
say in the Great
Ellen
Controversy,
White achati mugreat controversy,
the mark of the beast
munembo wechikara
is yet to be
hausati
defined.
watodefiniwa, uchatofanirwa kuzodefiniwa.
Who wants to venture what that means?
Ndinada kutiudza kuti zvinorevei.
So Sarah has given us Spirit Prophecy Volume 4, page
Sarah
505,
atipa Spirit
paragraph
of
2.
Prophecy, volume
What
4,
does that
page
say, Sarah?
505, paragraph 2. Sarah inoti kudii?
Tell me what the proof, what that will demonstrate to us, if you're willing to
Ndudza
come.
kuti zvichatiratidza
But the Sabbath is the seal. Okay, that's great.
kuti
So we've got
sabata is seal. Alright,
4SP
zvakanaka.
505,
Tine
and
4SP
then we had the
505.
devotional, which was
Tozovawo nedevotional
DD page
yatapiwa
49.
yanga iri
I can't remember
DD
what
page
DD is. Is
49.
it Dark Day? Okay, so someone comment on this. This
Pana
is
nda kukomenta kana
GC
pfungwa yatabva kuverenga here.
445, I
Controversy.
believe.
445.
It's Catherine here. It sounds
Catherine?
like Ellen White
Catherine
is about to
pano.
define what it is. That's the way I
Ellen
read
White
that.
achatitsanangurira kuti
If you went down and read everything that she says, she doesn't.
ukaverenga zvese
Oh, she
zvaanotaura
doesn't go and define it.
haatombotidefine haadefine.
So
I'm
Ellen
aware
White's
of.
not about to define it. Like, I'm just.
As far as I'm aware, she doesn't. Maybe
sekunzwisa
someone can
kwandoita
check.
Ellen White haadefine. Pamwe munhu anogona kucheka hake.
Don't want to lead you astray.
Kuti musazorasiswa nevatungamiri venyu.
Oh, maybe it is. Let's go with that. After the warning against the worship of the beast and his image, the prophecy declares, here are they that keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. Since those who keep the commandments are thus placed in contrast with those that worship the beast and his image and receive his mark, it follows that the keeping of God's law on the one hand and its violation on the other will make the distinction between the worshippers of God and the worshippers of the beast. The spiritual characteristic of the beast and therefore of his image is the breaking of God's commandments. Says Daniel of the little horn, he shall think to change times and laws, and Paul style the same power as the man of sin. Only by changing God's law could the papacy exalt itself above God. Whoever should understandingly keep the law as thus changed would be giving supreme homage to that power by which the change was made. Such an act of obedience to papal laws would be a mark of allegiance to the Pope in the place of God. And then she goes on about the second commandment being changed, and then she talks about the fourth commandment.
Anozotaurawo zvekuchinjwa
And she's
kwesecond
going to use all of
commandment,
that to talk
ozotaura
about
nezvecommandment
the
rechi4.
change of
Oshandisa zvese
law.
izvi kutaura kushandurwa
Okay, so
kunoitwa
that's how she's
mitemo.
going to define it. She's going to use all this
Saka
logic
ndokudefina kwaachaita, anoshandisa
combined
logic
with some
yese iyi
history to prove
abatanza
that
neimwe
the mark of the
history
beast
kuti
is
aprove
Sunday
kuti munembo
sacredness.
wechikara
So,
isunday sacredness.
anybody want to comment on that?
Kana anoda kukomenta here mazviri?
Parminder, it's Graham.
Go ahead, Greg.
NdiGraham pano.
Manuscript 118, it's slightly
Manuscript
off topic.
118.
Go ahead.
Inoita ngeri off topic.
Sunday keeping is not yet the mark of the beast, and it will not
Sunday
be
keeping
until the
haisati
decree
yava
goes forth,
mark of the
causing men
beast.
to worship this idol Sabbath.
Ichazova.
The time will
Haizovi
come when this day
kusvikira
will be the
decree
test,
raenda
but that time has not come
rekuti
yet.
vanhu vanamati chikara. Asi
And
nguva
that's
iyoyo
where
haisati
did you find
yauya.
that?
Iyi waiwana papi?
What's the
Manuscript
reference? Yep.
118,
Manuscript 118,
1899.
1899.
Actually, that number rings a bell. So,
Iyi namba
summarize what that says.
ndinoirangarira. Tipe samari yezvazvataura.
If you're able to do that for us.
Kana uchikwanisa kutiitirawo.
Sunday keeping is not yet the mark of the beast.
Kuti kuchengetedzwa
But it will
kwesande hakusati kwava
when
munembo wechikara. Asi
the
kuchazova
decree is put forth.
decree parinoiswa.
Okay, so people are keeping
All right,
Sunday at the
saka
moment, but it's
vanhu
not
vari
defined
kuchengeta
as the mark
Sunday
of the
izvezvi.
beast. It only becomes the
Haisati
mark of the
isati
beast
yakunzi ndiyo
when
mark of the beast. Inozongova mark of the
When
beast
that
papi
decree goes forward that causes men to
kana
worship on
decree raenderera
Sunday.
mberi
Okay.
rinoitisa
So
kuti
when you're
vanhu vanamate
forced,
Sunday.
if that's what causes
Alright, saka
mean,
paunomanikidzirwa
we
kana
did read a
causes
passage
zviri
where
izvo
Ellen White
zvazvinoreva.
defined what causes means. I can't remember what she said. We read that about
Pane
15 minutes
passage here
ago. I'll
anotaura
read it to you,
zvekuti
but I can't remember exactly the
kukonzeresa
statement that
kuita
she
sei.
used to do
Tambozviverenga
that.
15 minutes ago. Pane statement
Oh, yeah, commands. The
yaanotidefenda
beast with
izvozvo.
two horns call this, and in parentheses, commands. So when we're
Hanzi
commanded
cause
to keep
kucommand. Saka
Sunday, then it
patinokomandwa kunzi
becomes the mark of the
tichengete
beast.
Sunday.
Is that what
Ndo
she said?
painova munembo wechikara. Ndozvaari kutaura here.
Is that how you read that?
That's what I took from it, yes.
Okay, I agree with
Ndo
that. Someone gave
zvandanzwisisa.
us GC
Saka totenderana.
605 paragraph 2.
Pane atipa GC 605 paragraph 2.
And that says the Sabbath will be the great test of loyalty.
Noti sabata ndiyo
Okay,
ichange iri
if
test
we're all
huru
okay with
yeloyalty.
the logic
Saka
that we've
natese
used, tell
tiri
me
okay
how we
nelogic
get all of
yatashandisa.
this and
Ndiudzei
we
kuti
just
zvese
say
izvi
we're going to change it.
tinozviwana kupi tongoti hata kuzvishandura.
Tell me how you go about changing it.
Ndiudze kuti tinozvishandura sei.
We have changed this test to the
Takachinja
great test
test
of
iyi
equality. Is
kubva
that how
kugreat
you would
test
define it? I'm not sure how
yeequality.
people will define what the
Ndokudifaina
great test is.
kwatinoiita here. Handizivi kuti vanhu
So
vanodifaina great
Sarah
test
says the test is
zvichi.
different. Tell me what the test
Sarah
is.
anoti test yakasiyana. Ndiudze kuti test chii.
It's Catherine here.
Catherine?
I'm
Ndikatherine
saying the
pano.
test is it's like human rights. So
Ndikuti
if
test
it's human rights
mahuman
today
rights.
and it was human rights back
Saka kana
then,
ari mahuman
that
rights
would
nhasi.
explain
Kana
why
anga
that
ari
mark of
mahuman
the
rights
beast
kare
doesn't come into
ikoko.
effect until
Zvinoti
human rights abuses are
batsanangura
taking
kuti
place. And which in that scenario
mark of
is
the beast
forcing
haizotangi
religious
kunze kwokuti
observance
mahuman
and
rights
violating
ati
human
step.
rights that way. Whereas
Vanenge
today it
vachiviolata
manifests differently
mahuman rights
of
ipapo.
linking them.
Izvinezvi iri
So
kubudikira
you've said human
zvakasiyana.
rights.
Iwo wati mahuman
Sarah has
rights.
said, I'm just going to put equality.
Sarah ati ndichangonyora kuti equality.
It's not that I disagree with gender equality, but I'm just going to put
Hakusi
equality
kuti
down
ndinorambirana negender
for
equality asi
sake
ndichangonyora
of
kuti
space.
equality
So we've got
panapa.
human rights and equality. Is there a difference between
Saka
human
tine
rights
human
and
rights
equality,
neequality.
Catherine?
Pane musiyano pakati pe-human rights
No,
ne-equality
I
here,
don't think
Catherine.
so.
Kwete handifungi.
You're okay to use them synonymously, or
I think
is there
so because you're respecting
Zvakanaka kuzvishandisa
people's right.
zvakafanana
Like
here.
if you
Ndofunga
treat, if
kuti
everybody's equal, then everybody's
ndofunga
human rights
kudaro.
should be respected. So
Nekuti
I
kana
think you
uchiti vanhu
can
vese
use them
vakaenzana saka ma-human rights
interchangeably.
evanhu
Okay.
anofana kurespecta
So
saka togona kuzvishandisa chichinja
if the great test is human
kana great
rights,
test
if we all
ari
agree with
ma-human
that,
rights kana
then
tese chibvumirana nazvo
what's the mark of the beast?
saka mark of the beast chii?
The mark of the beast is patriarchy.
Mark of the beast ipatriarchy.
So who said yes?
Ndianati hongu.
I did, Josephine.
Who was that? I
Inini
don't know who the I
Josephine.
is, sorry.
Josephine.
Josephine.
Sorry, Josephine was that?
Yes.
Okay, Josephine, you say human rights, sorry, patriarchy is the mark
Saka
of the
Josephine
beast.
unoti
Did
patriarchy
you want to
ndiyo mark
explain
of the
further, or are you
beast?
just saying yes?
Uda kutitsanangurira here kana kuti ungoti
Well, if human rights, right from the beginning, from Eve's time, it's
kana kubva
the,
kunguva
what shall I
yaEve
say, the
ma-human rights
foundation of
anga
that's
ariwo
been
hwaro
denied,
rwezvinhu zviri kurambwa
and women lose their equality.
madzimai vachirasikirwa neequality yavo.
If it's going to be restored,
Kana zvichizorestorewa
and patriarchy is going to fight it, then it must have something to
patriarchy
do with that.
ichizozvirwisa then inofanira kunge ine chekuita nazvo.
Could you just repeat that simply? I got lost. Someone was doing something to the screen and it distracted me. Say that simply again.
Ingodzokorodzawo pane anga achita screen
Why is the
yake.
mark of the beast patriarchy? That's what you
Dzokorodzawo
said it is.
zvakare. Say mark of the beast
Yeah.
iri patriarchy. Ndozvawataura kuti ndizvo
Right from the
zvairi.
beginning,
Kubva
in Eve's
kwokutanga
time, because of
nguva
the
yaEve
curse that
nekuda
came about
kwecase
as a result of the curse,
yakauya yakauya nekuda
women's human
kwecase
rights taken away from them.
ma-human rights
When we
emadzimai
come to
vachitorerwa.
the next waymark, which is
Patinouya kuwaymark
the
riri
Sabbath,
next inova iyo Sabbath,
human rights again existed.
ma-human rights
And then
zvakare
now we've
akanga
come to the
achiexist.
end. We have human
Ezvinezvi
rights.
tasvika
It's
kwekuguma tine
the
ma-human rights.
foundation of all of
Ndiwo
those
mafoundation
waymarks.
ema-waymarks ese aya.
What we're trying to do is
Zvatiri
have
kuzama
equality,
kuita
but patriarchy would not
kuve
allow us to.
neequality.
So it must have
Asi
something to
patriarchy
do with
haititendedzi.
that.
Saka zvinofanira kunge
If
zvine
not exactly
chekuita
a must
naizvozvo.
have with
Not exactly kuti you must
patriarchy and
have
inequality.
patriarchy neinequality.
Anyone else?
Pane mumwe zvakare here?
So I've got the mark of the beast is patriarchy, it's inequality,
Pane ati mark
it's
of the beast
oppression of people,
ipatriarchy
of minorities.
inequality.
The mark or
Dzvanyurirwa
seal of God
kwevanhu
is their
kwemaminority.
character.
Mark
Mark of
kana
Satan
seal
is
yaMwari
their
ikarikta
character.
yake. Mark
God
kana seal
equals equality,
yaSatan ikarikta
Satan
yake.
equals
Mwari
patriarchy,
equals
dominance,
equality,
and
Satan
force.
equals patriarchy,
Equality
dominance
practices
neforce.
abuse in any
Equality.
form. So, was Ellen White wrong when she did all of this?
Ellen White anga ari wrong here paakaita zvese izvi.
Was she mistaken? Was it really not going to ever be that? How
Anga
would
ine
we have
mamistake
seen
here.
the Sabbath as being
Yaisazombopfa izvozvo here.
this great
Takaona sei
test of
Sabbath
equality?
ichiva iyo test huru
It's
yeequality.
Lynn.
Eileen?
Ndilini pano.
I believe that
Ndinotenda kuti
had Christ come when in the
Kristu akanga
Millerite time,
auya
again, if
vari
the second
muMillerite
advent
time
had occurred as planned, or
kana
had
kudzoka
they been
kwechipiri kwakanga kwaitika
successful,
sekurongwa
then
kwazvazvakaitwa dai
that
vakabudirira
was the issue of their time.
then
So
ndoyanga
that
iri
all
ishu yenguva
a
yavo.
decree could
Saka
have gone forth, etc. But
decree
obviously things
raizogona
didn't
kuiswa
progress to that
zvese izvi
in that
asi zvino hazvina
way. So
kuzosvika
it was
hazvo
correct for her
kusvika panzvimbo
day,
nenzira iyoyo asi
but now it's a different dispensation, a different era, a different test.
dispensation yakasiyana,
Even,
different
and I
era,
suppose there's a
test
debate as to whether
yakasiyana.
that was always going to be the case, especially if you look at
Saka
the Eden to Eden line and you
kuti ndozvo
consider
zvaizonga
the first
kuzofanira kunge
sin,
zviri
it
here
has to be the final
tikatarisa line
test.
reEden to
So
Eden,
yeah, I don't know.
test
I'm
yekutanga
starting to
ndo
second
yaifanira
guess
kunge iri
myself now.
test yekupedzisira. Handichazivi kuti
I have a comment,
ndakuzvidhauta
please.
here.
One moment. So, Lynn, you've said that it's a different test. I think other
Saka
people
Lynn
have said
wati
it's the same
itest
test.
yakasiyana.
Same as
Vamwe vanhu
in
vati test
Sabbath
yakafanana.
is human rights in some shape or form,
Test
but you've said
the
it's
same
different.
pakuti Sabbath my human
Okay.
Unless I've
rights nenzira
misunderstood you.
imwe
Yeah,
yakasiyana.
okay. So
Iwe wati
when I said it
yakasiyana
was different,
kana kuti
I
ndinenge
guess
ndatadza
I'm
kunzwisisa.
referring to the mark of the
Pandati
beast in her
kusiyana
day.
ndanchireva
You would
pamark
say
of the
it's
beast
different
munguva
if it was
yake
about a Sunday law
anogona
test.
kuti
However,
yakasiyana
you could
neyairi
also
yesunday
look
law
at it and
test,
say that it's
asi
about human
waigona
rights. I
kuzvitarisa
agree with
zvakare
that. So
woti
if you
ndezvemahuman
break it down
rights,
to
saka
human
ndotendana
rights,
nazvo.
even though the
Ukazviisa
subject
kumahuman rights,
might have been
kunyange subject
Sunday law
yaifanira kunge
or a
iri sunday
Sunday
law kana sunday
decree, then I guess
decree,
you could say
then
it's the
ndofunga
same.
kuti
It's just a
inogona
different
kuti
topic about
zvakafanana
human rights that we're
ingori
dealing
nyaya
with now.
yakasiyana
Is that
yemahuman rights
more clear?
yataakudhila nayo izvezvi zvati
So
cheke here.
men could have carried on abusing women. Parents
Saka
could have
varume
continued
vaigona kuramba
abusing
vachingoabhusa
children.
madzimai,
Children could have continued
maparents
abusing
vachiabhusa
their
vana,
elderly parents.
vana
And as long as they're
vachiramba
keeping the Sabbath,
vachiabhusa
it's all
maelderly
okay.
parents avo.
Yeah, I don't
Chero
think it was
vachingochengeta
that's all
sabata
okay,
zvava zvakanaka.
obviously. But
Handifungi hangu
I
kuti
was
zvava
referring to
zvakanaka,
if the second
asi
advent was going to
ndanchirefera
happen
kuti
in their time. And that's where I
second
get a little
advent
bit confused,
yaiitika munguva
because
yavo.
if you look at the Eden to
Ndopandikuita
Eden line
confusion
and you look
nekuti
at the fact that
ukatarisa
all of
land
that was
Eden
still
to Eden,
going on, then
ukatarisa
how could
zvakare nezvazvo zviri kuitika, then
the second advent have happened in their day
Jesu
if that was still
aizouya
all
sei
happening?
muzuva
Unless,
ravo kana zvese
had they
zvazviri
been
kuitika.
faithful and
Kunze
understood it
kwekuti
correctly,
dai vanga
maybe,
vari faithful
then
vakazvinzwisisa zviri
perhaps all
correct,
those issues would have been
then
brought to a head.
maissues
So
ese
I'm
aizounzwa
kind of
pavari.
trying to work it out in my mind, I guess.
Saka
But I was
ndikuzama
when I first
kuzvinzwisisa mupfungwa
commented,
mangu.
my thought was
Pandatanga
purely about
kukomenta, pfungwa yangu
what
yanga iri
appeared to
purely
them to be the test
pane
at the time,
zvaiita kunge kwavari
which
ndo
didn't
yaiva test
eventuate
yenguva
because
yavo,
they
isina
weren't really
kuzoitika
able
hayo
to finish the work.
nekuti havana
So I guess if
kuzokwanisa
finishing the
kupedzisa
work
basa.
involves
Ndofunga kuti
dealing with
kupedzisa
all those
basa
abuse issues and
kunoinvolva
human
kudhila
rights,
nemaabuse
maybe
issues
that's
ese
why
ari
their work
mumahuman
wasn't
rights.
able to be
Pamwe
finished. Maybe
ndosaka
that was
basa ravo
why
risina
it couldn't
kuzopedziswa.
end then,
Pamwe
and it had
ndosaka
to
risina
continue until
kupera
such
nguva
time as
iyoyo.
God's people were
Zvaizofanira
able to
kukontinua
recognize
apo vana
the
vaMwari
equality and the
vaizogona
patriarchal issues
kurecognize
and clarify that
inequality
and human rights.
nepatriarchy
So
vozozvijekesa nemahuman
Okay,
rights.
so just one final question.
Right, saka final
If what
question,
you've just said is correct,
kana
why
zvawataura
begin
zviri
with the subject of
correct,
Sabbath? How is Sabbath going to bring
sei
you to
kutanga
equality? Why not just deal with
nenyaya
equality there
yeSabbath
and then?
inotiudza sei
In its,
paequality?
people have talked about
Kodhila
in its immature
neequality
state or its
ipapo
beginnings.
ipapo
Why not just
vanhu
deal
vataura
head on
neimmature state
with
kana kutanga kwayo,
abuse?
sei vasina kungonanga
Why
panyaya
target the
dzeabuse?
Sabbath? And why do
Sei
we now
vakatageta
say
Sabbath?
we're not even
Sei
interested in
izvezvi
the Sabbath?
takuti
We're
hatisina
interested
kana
in
interest
human
neSabbath,
rights.
taane interest mumahuman rights.
I guess that's tied up with what I'm thinking at the moment. I mean, I guess they
Ndofunga
didn't
kuti
understand
zvakabatana
that
nezvandikufunga kuti
at the time.
vaisanzwisisa zvese izvi panguva
We
iyoyo.
are looking at it with a
Isu
broader perspective, with the benefit of
taakuzvitarisa
hindsight, and
neperspective
with the three
yakati
angels'
kure,
messages. They didn't really
tichitarisa kumashure ne3 angels
continue on
messages.
and receive that
Havana
light.
kuzoramba vachienderera
So
mberi
I
vachiwana
guess
light iro
they were
vachirigamuchira.
very,
Saka ndofunga kuti
what's the word, simplistic in their view, whereas we've
vaiva
become more
simplistic
complex. So
mukuona
we've
kwavo,
come to
isu
understand
tava more
how the
complex,
Sabbath relates a bit
taakunzwisisa
better.
kuti
I mean,
Sabata
I think we're
rine
still
ukama
trying to
hupi
come to terms with
huri
that,
nani.
how that
Tichiri
relates to
kuda
human rights issues. But I think
kunzwisisa kuti
Do
rinozvese
they,
nemahuman
you
rights
actually get it to
issues.
relate to human rights issues?
I
Takatorita
do
tiri
if
relate
you
nemahuman
relate it
rights
to the
issues here.
character of God. If
Kana
the Sabbath
tikarelata
is the
necharacter
seal of
yaMwari,
God, as
kana
in
Sabata riri
when
seal
we're looking
yaMwari,
at those who
kuti
keep my law
patinotarisa
and put my law
vanhu
in your
vanochengeta
hearts,
mutemo waMwari
in your
nekuisa
minds shall
mutemo
I write
waMwari
them.
mumwoyo
Basically, if we are
nemupfungwa.
to have the character of God, and
Kana
the Sabbath
tiine
is the
character
sign of
yaMwari,
that, then I
sabata
can
riri
relate
saini
that to
raizvozvo,
equality
then
and to
ndogona
human rights in
kuzvirelata
that regard.
kuequality nekuma-human rights
Okay.
neregard iyoyo. Alright.
I think Josephine was making a comment a while ago, and I
Ndofunga
didn't let
kuti
you finish.
Josephine anga
Do you
achita
want to
comment.
make a comment?
Ada also
I haven't
ita
started.
comment
Okay. Recently, you have had a new look at 9/11 and
makambotarisa
19 page
9/11
11.
manje manje
What you
Muchasa
try to do
testimonies
is
volume 9 page
crystallize
11
the movement's
zvamaizama
position.
kuita kuda
And I feel like
kusimbisa
this
position
is what you're
yemovement
trying to do with this issue,
ndofila kunge ndozvamuda kuzama kuita nenyaya iyi
to bring it to our minds more vividly.
kuiunza mupfungwa dzedu zviri vivid.
When she was talking about the Sabbath,
paanga ari kutaura nezveSabbath,
she's talking to the church.
ari
As
kutaura
priests and
nekereke.
Levites now,
Semapriests
basically we're going to be
nemalevites
Sabbath
izvezvi
keepers.
tinenge taamaSabbath keepers.
And I think if you are going to
Ndofunga
be in that category,
kana uri mukategori iyoyo,
well, I want to connect that to the equality
ndozvikonekta
and human
kuequality,
rights.
equality nemahuman
We are
rights.
linked to those issues, and those issues
Takabatana
may have,
nemaissues iwayo. Maissues
if I'm
aya
looking at
anogona kunge aine
I don't
kana
like the word tentacles,
ndokuzvitarisa
but tangents.
ane matangents.
You know, there's so many forms of inequality. There's so many
Ane
forms
maforms einequality
of
akawandisa.
human rights
Josephine,
that are.
all that you've said is
Maforms
true,
ehuman
but my
rights
question, I think, was a
ariko
relatively simple one.
zvawataura
Was how
ichokwadi
do you
asi
go from
Josephine mubvunzo wangu wanga uri simple
Sabbath
wekuti
Sunday
unobva
to
sei
human rights?
paSabbath Sunday uchisvika
Have we
pamahuman
made
rights?
that leap?
Iyi linki
How
takaita
about
sei
1888?
ku1888?
1888? What?
1888
When
kuita sei kwayo?
Jones is going to go back to his house and abuse his wife. Not
Jones
literally.
achadzokera kumba kwake
I don't mean that
oabhusa
in any
mudzimai
meaningful
wake.
way.
Handisi kutaura
But
kuti
all
zviri
he's going to be
literal,
talking
handisi
about
kuita
is the
zvakaitika,
Sabbath. He's saying you can't violate
but
my
anenge
Sabbath
achitaura
rights, and I won't
nezveSabbath.
violate
Iwe usavhaileta maSabbath
your
rights angu, ina
worship rights.
handivhailetiwo
But
maworship
none
rights
of that
ako.
is actually really
But
addressing the
hapana
subject
chiri
of
kunyatsokubata nyaya
human rights or abuse,
yemahuman
except in a
rights
very
kana
narrow
kuti abuse,
sense.
kunze kwenzira ingori narowo zvayo.
Okay.
Most people across the world who are
Vanhu
abusive,
vazhinji
most men who are
pasitenderere
abusive, will
vari
all
abusive, varume
defend
vazhinji vari
human
abusive,
rights. The rights that they will
vanodhifenda
defend
mahuman rights.
is their right
Marights
to have
avanodhifenda
religious
marights avo
liberty,
ekuva nereligious
which is the
liberty.
same right that
Inova
Jones
right
is
yakafanana
asking for, religious liberty.
iri kukumbirwa
And the
naJones,
religion
religious
that he
liberty.
worships or he believes
Religion
in or he adheres
yaanonamata
to,
kana kuti yaanotenda
as
maari
most
kana
other
kuti
religions
yaanonamira
allow,
kwairi,
is patriarchal and sexist.
sezvinoitwa nemareligion akawanda iri
I just want to
patriarchal
know,
uye iri
were they
sexist.
wrong to do all of
Saka
this? Or if they
ndangoziva
were
kuti
correct,
vaiva wrong here kuita
what's
zvese
the
izvi.
connection between
Kana kuti
all
kana
of this
vava vari correct,
imagery that we read in the
connection
Bible that we're going to now
yeimagery yese
transfer
iyi
over to
yatinoverenga
us?
mubhaibheri ndeipi yataakutransfer kwatiri?
About the method
Elder
of stuff.
Parminder.
I'll let Ray, you
Sorry,
have a go?
Josephine, you go.
No, I'm
Go ahead,
finished.
go ahead, Ray.
I've lost.
Is it when we recognized that these things were written when the message was about Christendom and focusing on Christendom, but now we recognize that it's gone
Meseji
global
zvakanyorwa
and beyond the reaches of just
vachafokasa paChristendom,
the
asi
Christian
meseji
world?
yaglobal hatichangofokasi paChristian world, yakufokasa
By
pasitenderere.
the late 19th century, earliest 20th,
Panozopera 19th century
Adventism was
nekutanga
pretty
kwe20th century,
focused on
Adventism
evangelism.
yanga yaafocused chaizvo kuevangelism.
We're talking about a time period just before and
Tikutaura
just
nezvetime
after
period
Ellen
iri
White
just before
moved from
uye iri just
United
after
States to
Ellen
Australia.
White paanobva
And in that
kuUnited
time
States achienda
period,
Australia. Panguva iyi
Africa is colonized
Africa
and it's all
inenge iri
settled down,
colonized,
and
inenge
diamonds are now being discovered in South Africa
madiamonds
particularly,
vaakumawana
and
kuSouth
there are
Africa.
wealthy Adventists that are
Kune
bankrolling
maAdventists
much of
vanga
the
vari wealthy
work through the diamond mine
vanenge
industry
vachiita
for
basa
evangelism.
rakawanda racho
So
kubudikidza
we have a
nediamond
focus on
industry
taking
vachiita
this message
evangelisa
to the world. It's not just
tine
about
focus
Christendom.
yekuendesa
They might call
meseji
them the
kunyika
heathen
yese
or
haisingori
the people in the
christendom
dark
chete
clouds, whoever they
vaivadaidza
would,
vava vachiti maheathen
describe it
kana kuti
in
vanhu vari
their
murima ichifanira kuti vaivadescribe
Victorian
sei
language, which is not pleasant.
nelanguage
But
yevictorian
they
yanga
would
isina
view things in a very
kunyatsonaka
similar way to
asi
us,
vaiona zvinhu
I
nenzira
think.
yakafanana neyatinongoona nhasi ndofunga
If the point you're making is all they can think about is Christian,
kana point yavari kutaura
for
ndeyekuti
sure.
zvese
And if
zvavaifunga
they're thinking that, why
ndezvekristian
aren't we?
eho
Why have we got
kana
out
vari
of the
kufunga
Christian
izvozvo
mindset and
sei
we've got into a
tisiri kufunga
humanistic
izvozvo sei
mindset?
tabuda
How have we
muchristian mindset
legitimized
taenda
all of
muhumanistic
this
mindset
symbology and turned it into
symbology
something
yese
completely
iyi
different?
tinoiita legitimate sei toishandura kuita chimwe chinhu
Is
Or
it
is it
chitoriita
just
because
symbology? Was it always wrong to
kana
begin
kuti
with,
symbology
or was
yese
it
iyi yanga
right
ingori
for
wrong
that
here kubva
dispensation?
pakutanga kana kuti yanga
Um,
yakanakira
and if it was right
dispensation
for that
iroro
dispensation, does that
kana
mean
yanga
that
iri right
dispensation was never
kudispensation
going to
iroro
make it anyway because it was
zvinoreva kuti
defunct?
dispensation iri
And
haraizomboita make
patriarchy
it
could
anyway
be
nekuti
alive and well
raisafunctiona
in
zvakanaka
1888.
patriarchy yaigona kunge
Son-in-law's coming,
ichitotekeshera
Christ is coming, and
1888
we're all going to go to
sunday law
heaven as
ichitouya kristu ouya
in the
vanhu vese
patriarchal model. It's all
mutongoenda
going to get sorted out
kudenga
there.
nemodel iri patriarchy
I'm not sure how people
tozongodzidzira
view
ikoko
it.
handizivi kuti vanhu vanozviona sei
I've asked questions about this before, about like how
takambobvunza
would
nemubvunzo
God have
iwoyo
taught them about sexism before
kuti mwari aizovadzidzisa
in this time
nezvesexism
period,
sei
and
kare munguva iyi
my understanding from the response
kunzwisisa
was that
kwangu
it would be
maresponse
part of their
ndeyekuti
instruction in that 1,000 years
yaiva part
of
yeinstruction
unlearning.
yavo muma1000 years aya ekudzidzinura zvinhu
Okay, I'm okay with that answer. That
alright
God
saka
will
ndiri
cut
okay
short the work in
nemhinduro iyoyo
righteousness and carry on the work in
kuti
heaven.
mwari
I think we
vaizoita
believe
cut
that
short
now.
basa
We're not going to
murighteousness
get everything
vozoenderera
sorted
mberi
out, so
nebasa
it'll get
kudenga
cut short.
ndoziva kuti tinotenda
But
zvese
why is the
izvi
Sabbath the target?
but tichazodzidza zvimwe kudenga
Why not
asi sei sabbath iriyo target
real stuff,
sei zvisiri
like
zvinhu
real
zviri
human
real
rights?
singe mahuman
Why
rights
this
ari real
esoteric thing?
sei chinhu chakaita seichochi ichi
What's driving their mind? That's what I want to
chii chiri kudhraivha
kind of
pfungwa
get to.
dzavo
Is it the
ndopandinoda
papacy?
kuti
The thoughts
tisvike
of the
Who's
papacy?
ipepasi here
speaking?
kana
Oh, I'm
kufunga
sorry. This is
nezvepepasi
Susan.
ndiani ari kutaura
Hi, Susan.
ndisusan ari kutaura
Hi.
neurombo
Carry on.
I was thinking, could
taura
it
hako
be in their thoughts the
ndandichifunga
papacy
kuti
was
mupfungwa
going
mavo
to,
munogona
you know,
kunge
because
muri
if they're
mekuti
looking that way, then
papasi
they fault the
kana
papacy for
vachitarisa
the
nenzira
Sunday
iyi
and, you know, all the evils that have befallen people with the idea of the state of the dead and
vachitevedzera
all
papasi
of that.
nesande
And
yavo
so
neidea
that
dzese
would be the
dzakaipa
issue
dzese dze-state of
if
the
they were
dead zvese izvi
focusing on the
kuti ndoine iri
papacy.
nyaya kana vanga vakafokasa
Very good
papapasi
answer. I like that answer. So
iansa
we're
yakanaka
we're quickly running out
ndinoifarira
of
chaizvo
time, and
taakupererwa nenguva
we don't have the time now for me to read
handina nguva kuti
a really
tikwanise
nice
kuverenga
comment from
komenti
18
yakanyatsonaka
Jones, and I've probably even lost it
kubva
now
kuna
because
80
it's
jones
buried in my
pamwe
notes somewhere.
ndatoirasikirwa nayo yanga iri mumanotsi mangu
Let me see if I wrote it down.
regai ndione kuti ndakainyora pasi here
Yeah, maybe I did. Okay, so
pamwe ndakainyora saka
wait, let me see if I can find it.
regai ndione ndogona kuiwana
Yes, so Susan has said
Alright, saka
maybe it's
Susan
because they're
ati
focused on the papacy.
pamwe inyaya yekuti vanga
And if
vakafokasa
she's going to say
papapasi
that, I'm
kana
going
ari
to just take
kutaura
that one
izvozvo
thought and I'm going to add to it. So I'm not
ndichangotora
saying
pfungwa
Susan
iyoyo
has
imwe
said this. So
chete
I
ndowedzera
don't want
pairi
to put this on
handisi kuda
her
kuti nditi Susan
shoulders and say
ataura
this is what
izvi
she said.
handisi
But I'm
kuda
going to take
kuzviisa
that thought,
pamashodas
the
ake
focus
ndoti
on the
ndozvaataura
papacy. So
tichatora pfungwa yekuti
a couple of
vaifokasa
thought questions.
papapasi
Are we
pane
supposed to be
maquestions ekuti
focusing
tifunge
on the
nawo
papacy in the
tinofanira kunge tiri
late
kufokasa here
19th century?
papapasi
Because that's what they're
late
doing.
19th
This is a
century
very
nekuti ndozvavari kuita
focused model or world
imodel
view.
yakanyanya kufokasa
If you
papers
see Alan Moore's
kana kuti
arguments, the ones that we
worldview
just read, when she
yakafokasa
says whether
papers.
you've got to
Kana
define the
tichiona
mark of the
maarguments
beast,
aEllen
which was
White
here, and
paanoti
then Graham
patinofana
gave us a
kudefina
really
mark of
nice
the
quote in
beast iri
manuscript
apa.
118
Graham
that
otipa
says,
quotation yakanaka
Sunday
manuscript
keeping isn't the problem
118
yet.
inoti
It's bad,
Sunday
but
keeping
it becomes
haisiriyo
the mark of the
dambudziko
beast. It becomes the
yakashata
great test, if
asi
you like, if I can
inozova
use that
mark of the
term,
beast kana kuti
once
great
they
test
start
kana muchida
enforcing this
tichishandisa
thing.
vairoro
And who's going
pavanotanga
to be
manje
doing the
kuinforsa chinhu
enforcing?
ichi. Ndiani
I
anenge
know we've skipped a
achiita
lot of the study.
zvekuinforsa
Someone just told me,
izvozvo.
who's going to do the enforcing?
Ava tajamba kuenda kune chimwe chidzo. Ndiani anga
Image of the
achiita
beast.
enforcing iyoyo.
Good, we'll go with that one. I don't know who else spoke. I got Molly. Who was the second person?
Moli ati image of the beast. Anonzwa kuti
Yambaki.
mwataura ndiani.
And Bucky, what are you saying?
Ndiyambaki. Yambaki wati?
Well, I said the government.
The government.
Ndati
And
government.
what did you say, Molly?
Moli wati chi?
The image of the beast.
Okay, we're going to go
Ndati
with the
image
image of the beast. The image of the beast
Saka
is the one that's
tichatora
going to do
image
the
of the
enforcing.
beast.
We haven't proven that,
Ndiyo
but
ichaita
we would be
enforcing.
able to
Hatisati taprova
demonstrate that.
izvozvo.
And
Asi tinogona
that's similar
kuzvidemonstrate.
to what Mbaki has said, that it's the
Zvakafanana
government.
nezvataurwa naYambaki kuti
So,
ihurumende. Naizvozvo.
why would they think... Oh, what
Sei
government is this, by the way?
vachizofunga?
Mbaki, you said the government. Which
Ihurumende ipi
government?
zviya Yambaki? Wati ihurumende
United States.
ihurumende ipi?
Thank you, Mbaki. That was very good. So,
United States waita
it's the
hako
United
Yambaki.
States.
Zvakanaka.
So why would the
United
United
States.
States ever,
Sei United
so this is for
States.
Susan, why would the United States want to
Susan.
force
Sei
a
United
Sunday
States
law on
ichida
anybody?
kumanikidzira Sunday law pavanhu.
They wouldn't during that time.
They
Panguva
wouldn't or they
iyoyo
would?
vaisazoda.
They wouldn't
Wati
during that
vaisazoda kana
time,
kuti
period.
panguva iyoyo
That's
Then
why
vaisada.
what's the
Go
Blair
ahead.
Bill all about?
Saka Blair
What's the
Bill
what?
The
ndeyezvechi.
Blair Bill. Why is
Oh,
Jones going to Congress
Sei Jones
and
achienda
going to those Senate
kuCongress
meetings and fighting against
oenda kumaSenate
Senator
meetings
Blair?
yes,
achirwisanisana
but that was
nanaSenator Blair.
1888.
That's what we're talking about,
Asi
the
yairi
19th century.
1888.
We're talking
Okay.
about the late
Tikutaura
19th century, that
ne19th
history.
century. Ndo
Why
history
would
yatiri kutaura
America
iyoyo.
create a Sunday
Sei
law?
America yaizoisa Sunday law.
Why would they want to do that?
Sei vaida kudaro.
To keep America Protestant.
Who's
As the
speaking?
people.
Kuti America
Sorry, that
irambe
was
iri
Pedro.
Protestant.
Pedro, go ahead.
Ndi Pedro.
I
Taura.
said to keep America Protestant and
Ndati
pure
kuti vati America
Christian.
irambe iri
To
Protestant.
keep America a Protestant nation, to keep
Irambe
it
iri
pure.
Christian.
And
Kuti
Josephine said
irambe
the
iri
people.
pure.
So I
Josephine
just want to
ati
make
vanhu.
a comment here.
Ndoda
I can't
kungoita
prove
comment
this.
panapa. Handigoni kuiprova.
America wants to do all of this work because
America inoita basa
America
rese iri
has this,
nekuti America
as we were just told, has this idea to keep
sezvataudzwa
America a
ine
Christian
pfungwa
nation, which is Protestantism.
yekuti
And
America irambe
where
iri
did they
nation iri
find
Christian inova iyo Protestantism.
Sunday in Protestantism?
Sunday
Where are
vanoiwana
they even
kupi
getting that from?
Protestantism.
So
Vanotomboiwana
don't
kupi.
answer that. It's a rhetorical question. So
Musapindura
if we just think
irhetorical
about this,
question.
I want to read what Jones says.
Tikafunga nezvazvo.
And Jones
Ndoda kuverenga
is
zvataurwa
interesting because he
naJones.
makes a comment,
Jones
and I
ari
think his
interesting nekuti
practice,
anotaura
his
comment.
life practice,
Ndofunga kuti
actually isn't
practice,
quite
life
in
practice
agreement
yake
with his
haisi
theology.
muagreement
So
netheology
I'm just going to
yake.
read this. I'll give the reference afterwards.
Ndichangoverenga izvi
It's
ndokupai
from the
reference
Advent Review and
tapedza.
Sabbath Herald. It's one of the magazines.
Iri kubva
And this was written in
RSH
1892.
mamagazines aya.
1892.
Yakanyorwa
So it's a
mu1892.
bit of a lengthy passage, but I want to just read it and then I'll
Passage
make comment and then
yakareba.
we'll close.
Asi ndoda
This everlasting
kuverenga toita
gospel
comment
is the
tovhara.
mystery of God,
The
which is
everlasting
again to be
gospel iyi
preached
ndiyo
unto,
mystery yaMwari
which
ichaparidzwa zvakare.
again is to be preached unto me. And that
Ichaparidzwa
mystery
zvakare
is
kwandiri. Mystery
Christ
iyi
in you, the hope
kana
of glory.
ndiKristu
There's
matiri
some typos
hope
in this,
yeglory.
the way from the software. And that is the preaching that is now to go to the
Ndiko
world. Christ in
kuparidza
you, the hope of
kwaakufana
glory,
kuenda
which
kunyika.
is the
Kristu
everlasting
matiri
gospel,
hope of
which is
glory
the
inova
mystery.
everlasting
So
gospel
all of that is
inova
taken from
mystery.
Paul. And if
Zvese
you went to
izvi
some studies
zvinotorwa
that
kubva
we've done
kuna
in the
Paul.
movement, all
Tikaenda
of
kune
that
zvimwe
should
zvidzidzo
not be
zvatakaita
new.
movement
Zvese
zvese
we've
izvi
defined what the
hazvifaniri kunge zviri
everlasting gospel
zvitsva.
is. It's the mystery
takazvidefina
of
kuti everlasting
godliness,
gospel
which is
chi
Christ in you, the hope of
imystery
glory. So
of
that's all in view. So
godliness,
that's fine.
kristu
And
matiri
that
hope
is the
of glory.
preaching that
Izvi
is now to
zviri
go to
right.
the world.
Ndo
That's the message
mharidzo
to go to the
ichafana kuenda
world.
kunyika, ndo message
So
ichaenda
if we were just
kunyika.
to take that, we could see
Kana
that's why the great
tisingopatora
test
izvi,
is
tinoona kuti
human
ndosaka
rights.
great test
He
ari
clearly
mahuman
defines it
rights.
this way.
Kuti anozvidefina zviri clear
In the
nenzira
glorious
iyoyo.
threefold message, which makes up the three angels' messages.
Mu-threefold message iri glorious
And now is the
inogadzira
time when the
message
gospel,
engirosi
the
nhatu.
mystery of God,
Nguva
is to
ndiyo
be
ino
preached and revealed
iyo
in a power and
ivhangeri mystery
majesty and a
yaMwari
glory such has
ichaparidzwa
never been
ichiratidzwa
known
mupower,
except in the
majesty and
time of the
glory
apostles.
isati
So
yakambozikamwa
now they're going to go
kunze
back to the
kwemunguva
apostles, or
yemaapostles.
he is.
Saka
And when you
vakudzokera
do that,
kumaapostles.
the argument he's
Paunodaro
making is about
argument yaari kuita
the message that
ndeye
goes to the world is not about
mamessages
Sabbath
anoenda
keeping.
kunyika kuti haazi
It's
esabbath
about
keeping.
Christ in you, the hope of glory, which I'm going to say is
Kristu
equality. It's
matiri
not about the
hope
Sabbath.
yeglory inova
If it does
equality
not
hazvisi
even
zvesabbath.
surpass that, so the message now is going to be
Kana
greater than the message that the
singatopfuuri
apostles
izvozvo,
gave.
saka message
The
iyi
power
inonge
of the
yakura
mystery
kupfuura
of iniquity being broken
yakapiwa
off,
nemaapostles.
the mystery of God is to
Power,
be brought
mystery of
again before
iniquity
the world in
yadamburwa.
all its glory. For I read
Mystery yaMwari
that in the
inofana
days
kunzwa
of the
pamberi
voice of the
penyika
seventh angel,
nekupenya
when
kwayo
he shall
kwese.
begin to sound, the mystery
Muzuva
of God, which
reseventh
is the
angel
everlasting gospel,
paichatanga
remember, should be
kusaunda,
finished.
mystery
That's the
yaMwari
work of completion
inofana
in
kunge
humanity. The work
yakupedziswa.
of God will be complete when
Ndokupedziswa
the seventh
kwainoitwa
angel
mubasa
sounds.
muvanhu.
So
Seventh
that's
angel
familiar territory
painosaunda,
for us in the movement.
mystery
And they
inofana kunge
followed another
yapedziswa
angel saying,
muvanhu.
Babylon is fallen, is fallen. And the
Pakazotevera
third angel
imwe
followed them,
ngirozi
saying
yaiti
with a loud
Babylon
voice,
rava rava.
if any man
Ngirozi
worship the
yechitatu
beast.
ikatevera
So it's going to
nezwi
basically
guru
quote Revelation
ichiti
14, 8 to 12.
ichikota kuna Revelation
Now
14
mark
verse
the
8 kusvika
connection.
12.
There goes forth the angel
Chimakai
with the everlasting
connection.
gospel to preach. The everlasting gospel
Angel
is the mystery
inoenda
of godliness,
neeverlasting
and
gospel
the preaching
yokuparidza.
of it
Everlasting
to the
gospel ndo
preaching
mystery
of
of
Christ
godliness.
in men, the
Kuparidza
hope
kwayo
of glory.
sekuparidza
Christ
kwaKristu
is the power of
muvanhu,
God
hope of
and the
glory.
wisdom of God.
Kristu ndiyo
This
simba
gospel is
raMwari
rejected, and there is a falling
newisdom
away
yaMwari.
spoken of
Gospel
as
iyi
Babylon
inorambwa,
is
kwova
fallen,
nefalling away
is fallen. So I
inotaurwa
hope you get, I
kunzi
want you to pick up
Babylon
the point
rawa
about the
rawa.
falling
Ndoda kuti
away.
mutore point
Then out of that
yekurasika
falling
kunoita vanhu.
away comes
Kurasika
that
uku
against
kwaitika
which the third
panozouya
angel
zvakare
warns. So he's going to
izvo
argue that there's
zvinopiwa
a
warning
falling away,
against nethird
quotes,
angel.
Babylon is
Saka anoti
fallen,
pane
and
kuwa
then he says the
kunoitika,
third
Babylon
angel
inodonha.
warns against or
Third
warns
angel
about
yozopa
this
warning
falling away. That's what he
maererano
said. I just
nekudonha
paraphrased
uku
to try to make
ndozvaari
it simple.
kutaura. Ndangoita paraphrase kuti zvitsava.
Now what brought the mystery of iniquity? So now he's going to
Saka
define
chakaunza mystery of
the mystery.
iniquity
What is the
chii?
mystery of iniquity? It's
Achadefina
the
manje
opposite
kuti mystery of
of
iniquity
the
chii,
mystery of
i-opposite
godliness. If we can
yemystery of
compare the two,
godliness.
the mystery of
Kana
godliness,
tichigona
the way he
kucompare zviviri
defined it
izvi.
was
Mystery of
equality,
godliness
and
nzira
so the mystery
yaanozidefina
of
nayo
iniquity,
yairi
therefore, is
equality.
the
Saka
opposite
mystery
of
of
equality,
iniquity
which is
i-opposite
inequality, which is
yeequality inova
patriarchy.
inequality
If we can make that
inova
connection,
patriarchy.
then he
Kana
says,
chikunoita connection iyoyo.
what produced
Ozoti
or what brought forth the mystery of
chinogadzira
iniquity?
kana
And
kuti
then he's going to tell
chakaunza
you
mystery of
the
iniquity
falling away
anotiunza
from the mystery of God.
kudonha
So the mystery of
kubva
God was
pamystery
preached in the
yaMwari.
time of the apostles.
Mystery
There
yaMwari
is a falling
yakaparidzwa
away,
munguva
and with
yemaapostles.
that falling
Pakazova
away, it
nekudonha.
brings forth
Kudonha
the mystery of
kwakazounza
iniquity. I hope we can see the
mystery
sequence.
of
The
iniquity.
mystery of
Okuti
God,
hakuna sequence.
a falling
Mystery of
away.
God
It doesn't
kutanga,
say it directly
pova
now, but it's a
nekudonha.
falling away of God's people
Haitauri
produces
zviri
the
direct but
mystery of
kudonha
iniquity.
kwevanhu vaMwari
I'll read on. For
ndokunoproducer
Paul says,
mystery of
now all of this
iniquity.
is
Toverenga.
Pauline theology.
Paul
That
oti
day shall not come except there come
zuva
a
iroro
falling away
harizouyi
first,
kunze
and that man
kwekuti
of
vanhu
sin be
vatanga
revealed, the
vadonha
son of perdition.
uye munhu
We would
wechitema
argue that that's the
arivhirwa
papacy.
son of perdition.
And the mystery
Togona
of
kuti argue
iniquity
kuti
is the
ipapasi.
beast,
Mystery
the
of iniquity
papacy.
ndiyo chikara,
Jones is going to say
ndiyo
it directly.
papasi.
When the
Jones
mystery of
anozvitaura zviri
iniquity has
direct.
run its course,
Mystery of
it's
iniquity
finished its
painenge
work,
yapedza basa rayo,
then comes the word of God announcing an angel
panozouya
flying
shoko
in the midst
raMwari
of heaven,
richianaunza
having the everlasting
ngirozi iri
gospel, the mystery of
kubhuruka
God, to preach
muchadenga
to all the
ine
world,
everlasting
to every
gospel
creature,
mystery yaMwari
and
ichiparidzira nyika
every
yese
creature, full stop.
kuchisikwa
Then
chimwe nechimwe.
from this also there comes a falling
Kubva
away.
pane izvi
And out of that
zvakare
falling away,
panozova
there
nekudonha
comes that
kuchaitika.
angel
Kana
which the
kudonha
third angel
kwaitika
warns, the
panozouya
image of the
ngirozi
beast,
iyo
the
third of
image
the
of the
angel
papacy.
inotaura
So I want to
kuti
summarize
image of the
that because it's
beast
a
kana
bit
kuti image of the
long-winded.
purpose.
He
Ndoda
says the
kusummarize nokuti
apostles
zvakati
in the
rebei.
time of
Anoti
Christ, it's not a
maapostles
Sabbath
munguva
question.
yaKristu
They're not,
haisi nyaya
they
yeSabbath,
don't have a Sabbath message.
havana meseji
They
yeSabbath.
believe in the Sabbath. They live the Sabbath.
Vanotenda
It's part
muSabbath,
of their
vanorarama
culture, if I can
Sabbath,
put it that way,
ipati
their
yeculture yavo
religion.
kana
But that's not
chikunozvaura
what their
chidaro.
message is. The message is the
Asi
everlasting
haisi
gospel.
riyo
The
meseji yavo.
everlasting gospel
Meseji
is
yeEverlasting
Christ
Gospel.
in you,
Everlasting
which is
Gospel
a
ndiKristu
mystery or the
matiri,
mystery of God.
inova mystery
Now, that's
yemystery
what they're
yaMwari.
preaching.
Ndo
Sometime
zvavanenge
afterwards,
vachiparidza.
there's going to be a
Nguva
falling away.
inozofambira mberi after
And that
panova
falling
nekuita
away
fall away. Falling
creates a
away iyi
situation where you get the man
inogadzira
of sin
situation
coming up. And the man of
yaunova
sin
neman of
is the
sin
mystery of
achiuya. Man
iniquity,
of
which is
sin
the beast, which is
ndiyo
the
mystery of
papacy. So it
iniquity
talks about the
inova
creation of
beast
the
inova
papacy.
purpose. Saka inotaura nekugadzirwa
So the papacy
kwepurpose.
has been created because
Purpose
the
ichigadzirwa
message, the
nekuda
everlasting
kwekuti
gospel, has
message
failed in
yeEverlasting
its mission.
Gospel
And the
inenge
failing of the
yatadza
mission
mission yayo.
creates a vacuum, if you
Kutadza
like,
kwemission
where the
iyi
papacy can
kunogadzira
rise up.
vacuum. Purpose painogona kusumuka.
And then it says, I'm just going to read the last
Inobva
sentence of what we
yati
read. Then from
ndakuverenga
this
last sentence.
also there comes a falling
Kubva pane
away.
izvi
So now
zvakare
Jones
panova
is going to say,
nekudonha.
after the
Jones
papacy,
akuzoti
there's going to
purpose
be a second
yapfuura
falling away.
pachava nekudonha
And so
kwechipiri.
I'll quote, and out of that falling
Saka
away,
ndichakota
there comes
kubva
that
mukudonha
again,
ikoko
which the third angel
panozouya
warns,
zvakare
the image of the
inopiwa
beast,
warning
the image
nethird
of the
angel,
papacy.
image of
So
the
there are
beast,
two fallings
image
away.
yepurpose.
The first
Saka pane
was
kudonha kuviri.
created,
Chekutanga
the first falling away
chakagadzirwa.
creates the
Kudonha
papacy or
kwekutanga
the beast.
kwakagadzira
Someone tell
purpose
me,
kana
what
beast.
does the second falling away
Umwe
create?
ngaandiudze kudonha kwechipiri kunogadzira chii?
The image.
The image
The
of the
image of
beast.
the beast.
Image of the beast.
Kunogadzira image of
Good.
the
So we've
beast.
got enough people who have
Magona.
understood what he says.
Saka
There's
tine
two
vanhu
falling
vakawanda
away.
vanzwisisa
One of
zvataura.
them was the
Kune kudonha
papal.
kuviri.
One of them was
Chekutanga
the first falling away creates the papacy.
kutanga
The
kudonha
second falling
kwakagadzira
away
purpose.
creates the image of the
Kudonha
beast.
kwechipiri
So
kunogadzira
what
image of the
falls away?
beast.
It's the
Saka chii
message that the
chinodonha?
apostles are giving.
Imessage
The apostles give
yaipiwa
this message.
nemaapostles.
There's a falling away,
Maapostles
and it
vakapa
creates
message iyi,
the
vanhu
beast.
vakadonha
So the beast
zvikagadzira
has a
beast.
message.
Saka
It then
beast ine
falls away,
message.
and then that
Inobva
falling away
yadonha.
allows for the image of the
Kudonha
beast to
ikoko
be created. And who's the image of the
koita
beast?
kuti image of the beast
Not the
igadzirwe.
papacy.
Image of the beast
It's the
ndiani?
United States. Good.
IAmerica.
As out of that first falling away, there came the mystery
Sezvakaita
of
mukudonha
iniquity,
kwekutanga
which is the beast.
kwakauya mystery of
So out
iniquity
of the
inova
second
beast.
falling away, there comes
Kudonha
the image
kwechipiri
of the mystery of
kwaitika
iniquity, the
kunozova
image of the beast.
neimage yemystery of
Just as
iniquity,
certain
image of
as
the
the
beast.
preaching of the gospel by the apostles was the
Sezvakangofanana
preaching
kuparidzwa
of the
kwegospel
mystery of God,
nemaapostles kwaiva
Christ in
kuparidzwa kwemystery
humanity,
of God,
the hope of
Kristu
glory,
muvanhu,
just
hope
so
yeglory.
certainly the second preaching
Sezviri
of the
certain,
gospel is the
kuparidza
preaching of the
kwechipiri
same
kwegospel
mystery of
ndiko
God, which
kuparidza
is what?
kwemystery yaMwari yakafanana
Quality.
naiyoyo inova chii?
The hope of Christ in you, Christ in
Christ
you,
in
the
us, the
hope
hope
of
of
glory,
glory.
the
Kristu
mystery,
matiri,
which
hope
is
yeglory.
equality.
Mystery inova
That's Christ in you.
equality.
The same,
Ndiyo Kristu
following
mauri.
on, the same power of
Tichienderera
God and
mberi,
the same
simba
wisdom of
rakafanana
God
iroro
to make
raMwari
known the
newisdom
same
yaMwari
Christ in men,
yekuzivisa
the hope of
Kristu
glory.
mumwechete iwoyo
Then,
muvanhu,
as
hope
certainly as
yeglory.
out of that falling away, there came the mystery of
Zvakangofanana
iniquity, the
nezvakaitika
beast, the
mukudonha ikoko
papacy, so
pakabuda mystery of
certainly
iniquity, beast,
out of this falling
purpose.
away, there
Ndiko
comes the image of
zviri
the
certain,
mystery, the image
kubuda
of the
mukudonha
beast,
uku
the image of the
kunozouya image
papacy,
of
and
the
I'm going to add
beast,
the
image
United
yepurpose,
States,
mystery of iniquity,
apostate
ndowedzera
Protestantism.
America,
The two things
apostate
are alike
Protestantism.
from beginning to
Zviviri izvi
end. And now the
zvakafanana
third
kubva
angel's
pekutanga
message,
kusvika
this
pekupedzisira.
threefold
Meseji
message. So
yengirozi
when she talks about the
yechitatu,
third angel's message, sorry,
meseji
he
iri
does,
threefold
not
iyi
she.
paanotaura
He ends up having this way
meseji
to say
yengirozi
the
yechitatu
third has
anopedzisira
the
akuti
first, second,
yechitatu
and third all combined in it. That's why he calls it the
ine
threefold message.
yekutanga
Warns
nechipiri
against the
nechitatu
whole evil
zvakabatanidzwa.
combination of the beast and his image. This threefold message
Inobva
has
yaita
been more than
combination
40 years in the
yebeast
world.
neimage
This
yayo
little
yese.
leaflet from which I have read before gives an excellent statement of this as follows, and then he's going to read on.
Kuverenga kwandapa
So
kunopawo
a little while
statement iri
ago,
excellent anoramba achienderera
I
mberi.
discussed this
Pane
subject
nguva
about
yapfuura
1888
takambotaura
and the
nesubject
Sunday law.
ya1888 nesunday
It was in
law.
a recent presentation of several weeks ago,
Yava
a few months ago,
presentation
certainly
iri
this year.
recent
And I read a passage,
makore
and the
rino iri.
passage was
Ndakaverenga
a
passage. Passage
discontent in the movement, Ellen White's movement, that they were
kwaiva
saying A.T.
kusafara
Jones was
movement
preaching a
yaEllen White
false
pavaiti
message.
A.T.
What
Jones
was the false?
ari
Why was
kuparidza
his
meseji
message
yenhema.
false?
Sei meseji yake yainzi ndeyenhema.
Does anybody know why was his message false? Not that it was false,
Pana
but
anoziva here
he
kuti
was
sei
accused of
zvainzi
it being
meseji
false.
yake iri false. Sei aiaccuswa kunzi meseji yake iri false. Hatisi kuti hedu
Catherine,
isusu
yeah, is it
aiva
because it
false.
wasn't about the Sabbath?
Catherine.
It wasn't like a
Inyaya
Sabbath
here
message?
yekuti
Yes,
yaisiri meseji
it's not
yeSabbath.
about the Sabbath,
Hongu
but there's a
haisi yeSabbath.
what was his message? What would
Asi
he say? I'm preaching.
iye meseji yake yaiva
It's like
aiti ari
righteousness by
kuparidza
faith.
chii?
Oh,
No, we just
Hanzi
we just
righteousness
read it a
by
minute
faith.
ago.
Christ in you, the hope of glory.
No, right at the end.
Taiverenga.
Threefold what?
Taiverenga kakupedzisira.
Human
The
rights.
threefold message,
No,
the third angel's
the
message.
threefold message. He says, I'm preaching
Threefold
the
message.
third angel's message.
Aiti ndiri kuparidza
That's what his
meseji
blanket
yengirozi
statement is. And
yetatu.
everybody says, it
Ndo
sounds like
zvaitaura.
what? Catherine, now you
Vanhu
can
vese
say it
vobva vati
sounds like
iri kunzwikwa kunge chii?
Human rights. I don't know what you.
human rights. Yeah,
Okay.
they say
Iri
that's
kuita
not
kunge
third angel's
ma-human
message
rights
because it
one.
sounds like human
Kuti
rights.
haisizive meseji yethird
And
angel
what
iyi.
does
Iri
Ellen
kuita
White
kunge
say
ma-human
to
rights one.
everybody who's
Ellen
fighting
White
against
anoti chii
Jones?
kuvanhu vese vari kurisanisana naJones?
Third angels in verity.
That
She
it is
says
the third
Anoti
angel.
third
his
angel
message, which is
muverity.
the message of, because everybody
Anoti
knows he's talking
meseji
about human
yake.
rights.
Nekuti vanhu
That's
vese
what everybody,
vanoziva kuti
they know
haari
that
kutaura
what he's talking
zvema-human
about.
rights
Or Christ in you, be
vanotozviziva
a
zvaari
nice
kutaura.
person, treat
Kuti
people
Kristu
respectfully.
mauri
They say
iva munhu
that's got nothing
akanaka
to do
tiita
with the
vanhu
third angel's
zvakanaka.
message. Because what is the third
Vanoti
angel's
hazvinei
message? Everybody
nemeseji
knows the third
yethird
angel's
angel
message is
nokuti
what?
meseji yethird angel ndeyechii? Munhu wese anoziva kuti ndeyechii?
Sabbath.
The Sabbath.
Yes,
Everybody knows
Sabbath.
it's the Sabbath. That's what the
Munhu
third
wese
angel's message is.
anozviziva
They've
kuti
been preaching
inyaya
that for 40
yeSabbath.
years. Everybody
Vanga
knows that.
vachizviparidza kwemakore 40
And
munhu wese anozviziva.
Ellen White said, oh, actually, I want
Ellen
to
White
remind
anobva
you,
azoti
but that's the same message that I've been
ndokukurangaridzai
preaching all of
kuti
this time.
ndiyo
So when
meseji
this person
yakangofanana
stood
neyanda
up and said
ndichitaura
the third
pese apa.
angel's message is
Saka
righteousness by
kwakasimuka
faith, which is
munhu uyu
basically
achiti third
treat
angel's
everybody
message
nicely, be a
irighteousness
nice
by
person,
faith
I knew
inongoti
straight away
chitai vanhu
that
vese
this was the
zvakanaka
truth.
ivai munhu akanaka. Ndaizviziva ipapo
So
kuti yaiva chokwadi.
we've run out of time. I want to summarize.
Tapererwa
When we
nenguva
go
ndoda
to
kupa
Val
samari.
13 and we take all this
Patinosvika
imagery
paVal
and we
13
try
totora
to
imagery
project
yese
it
iyi
into our history,
tozama
and we're dealing
kuiprojecta
with
kuisa
the
muhistory
Sabbath and
medu
Sunday,
tichidhila
and we
neSabbath
get
neSunday
all of this from this imagery
tiine zvese
and some
izvi
Ellen
kubva
White quotes.
muimagery iyi
What I want us to try
nemaquotes
to
aEllen White.
grapple
Zvandoda
with
kuzama kuti
is,
tikikiridzane nazvo
were they mistaken?
ndezvekuti
Were they
vakanga vaine
mistaken
mamistakes
that
here
the
ava
great test
vakaita
would
mamistakes
ever
here
be,
kuti
could ever
test
be
huru
the Sabbath?
yaigona kuzova
Because if you
iri
go to
Sabbath.
Jones's writings from beginning
Nekuti
to
ukaenda
end,
kumawritings aJones
he
kubva
will say,
pekutanga kusvika
I suggest,
pekupedzisira
in no uncertain
aiti
terms,
iye indinosagesta
that
nematerms
the great
asiri
test is
uncertain
not the
kuti test
Sabbath.
huru haisi
That's
Sabbath.
why when he goes to Congress and he argues his
Ndosaka
point,
paanoenda
he
kucongress
argues it
oita
in a
argue
way that
point
is not a
yake
Sabbath
anoita
argument.
argument munzira
That's why you
yekuti
see the
haisi
human rights
Sabbath
argument,
argument.
which you can clearly
Ndosaka
see in
muchiona
his
ma-human rights
arguments,
arguments aunoona
because
zvakajeka
that's what
ma-arguments
he
ake
always
nekuti
does.
ndo
Because his
zvaaingogara
whole message is
achiita
about righteousness by faith. And we say Jones, it's
nekuti meseji
Wagner's
yake yese
connected with
ndeye
him,
righteousness
of
by
course.
faith. Tati Jones
So
edu asi
what I
pana
want to
Wagner
suggest in
akabatana naye.
closing is this
Saka
whole
zvandoda
idea
kusagesta
about the
mukuvhara
Sabbath,
kuti
Sunday,
pfungwa yese iyi yeSabbath
is
Sunday
what
iyi
Susan intimated when
ndizvo
she made a comment
zvataurwa
about 10 minutes
naSusan
ago, I think
here
it was, when she
paaita
said it's
comment
the
10 minutes
papacy.
ago
Everybody's
paati
focused
papers
on the
munhu wese
papacy or the beast.
akafokasa papapasi
And what
kana
they didn't
pabeast
see, Jones sees
zvavasina
it,
kuzoona
but it's
Jones
easy to get
anozviona
distracted because
asi
he's an
zviri nyore
Adventist, he's
kuve
a Seventh-day
distracted
Adventist,
nekuti
and
muSabata
he's going to
muSeventh Day
get
Adventist
sucked into this whole Sabbath Sunday argument as
anobva
well,
amwirirawo
is that
muSabbath
there
Sunday
is
argument
a
iyi
focus
zvakare
an
anozoona
undue
kuti pane
focus upon
focus
the papacy. And when
iri
you do that, you
undue
have to go back to the Dark
papapasi.
Ages.
Paunoita
And
izvi
we read
unofanira
Ellen White's
kudzokera kumadark
arguments about the
ages.
changing of the
Taverenga
law. She
maarguments
quotes the
aEllen White
second
pakuchinjwa
commandment, then the
kwemutemo.
fourth commandment.
Anoiti second
And
commandment
that's
nefourth
where they
commandment.
get into this Maya.
Ndipo apo vanopinda
But his logic is
mumatope.
there's going to be another falling away,
Asi logic yake
and it's the
ndeyekuti
United
pachava
States
nekudonha kumwe.
government this time that is going to be
Hurumende
the premier
yekuamerica this
power.
time ichange iriyo
And
simba
that's
riri
what
premier.
this issue is about. That it's
Ndo
not this
nyaya
Blair
iyi
bill, this
zvairi
little
maererano
blip
nayo
in
kuti
American
hazvisi zveblair
history
bill
that's dealing
izvi
with the Sabbath
ingoriwo
that they seem so
kadodzi muhistory
focused on.
yeamerica
It's
yezvesabhath
what
vanhu
A.T.
vese
Jones has said
yavafokasa
from the
nayo.
very beginning.
Asi
It's
ndo
about
zvakataurwa naAT Jones kubva
Christ in you,
pekutanga kuti
the hope of glory, which is the
ndezvakristu
everlasting
matiri,
gospel, which is the
hope
mystery
yeglory, inova
of
everlasting gospel,
godliness, and the
inova
opposite of that
mystery
would be the
of
mystery of
godliness.
iniquity. And all of his
Opposite yazvo
language
inova
has got
mystery of
no
iniquity.
Sabbath Sunday
Language yake yese iyi haina
story in all
Sabbath
of that.
Sunday story
So
mairi.
what I want to suggest is,
Saka zvandoda
when we go
kusagesta ini
to
ndezvekuti
Adventist history, or we might call it the Millerite
patinoenda
history, and we
kunhoroondo
try to track
yeadventism
down and
kana kuti
trace the
millerite history
Sabbath,
tichizama
what
kutreka
we can end
nekutresa
up
sabbath,
doing, because we want to
zvatinogona
try to
kupedzisira taakuita
dovetail
nekuti
things together,
techida
which
kuzama
actually
kuda
it means we're trying to
kubatanidza
force
zvinhu
fit
pamwe chete,
their
kumanikidzira
understanding
zvinhu,
of the great test with our
kunzwisisa
understanding.
kwavo
I think we're
kwegreat
always
test
going to
neunderstanding yedu
struggle doing that. And I want to
tinozotambura
suggest,
kuita
because we're building
izvozvo.
it upon a
Toda
wrong
kusagesta
premise,
nekuda kuti techivaka
I'm not here
papremises
to argue
iriyo.
what Ellen White said or she
Handipo
didn't
pakuti
say.
argue
But
kuti
what I
Ellen
want to
White
suggest
aitaura kuti chii
is,
kana kuti
in
anotaura
that
kuti chii.
history,
Asi zvandoda
when you
kusagesta
have the
ndezvekuti
second falling
munhoroondo
away
iyoyo,
and the rising of
paunenge
the
uine kudonha
image of the
kwechipiri
beast, Protestant
nekurayisa
America,
kweimage of the
the
beast,
issue,
Protestant America,
the great
nyaya
test would never have
nyaya
been,
yegreat
could
test
never have been
hayaizombova,
Sabbath.
haina kuzombogona kunge iri
They've got
sabbath.
sidetracked on that. And that's
Vakatoitwa
why
sidetrack pazviri.
Adventism
Ndosaka
has been in
Adventism
limbo land, or in
yanga iri
the
mulimbo
Laodicean
land
condition, depending on
kana
where you want to
mucondition
mark it, for
yeLaodikia, ichibva
126
nekuda
years
kuimaka papi
until this
kwemakore
movement is
126
created.
kusvikira
And when this
movement
movement's
ino
created,
yazogadzirwa.
because we're
Movement ino
the real
yagadzirwa
Adventists, we are in the
nenyaya yekuti
same
tisi
mire and the same
maadventist
mess
chaivo
as they
chaivo,
are in. So
tatiri
we're going to
mumatope
bring in
akafanana.
all of the baggage with
Saka
the great test
takazounza
being
package yese
the Sabbath
yegreat
and the
test chifuti
Sunday,
ndiyo
with
yeSabbath
all of that
neSunday,
wrong argument. And it's taken us
nemaarguments acho ose
30
ari
years
wrong.
roundabout to
Zvakatitorera
get to the
makore
place
30
to come back where
kuti
A.T.
tisvike
Jones
panzvimbo
had always
iyo
anchored
takadzokapo.
us
18 Jones
in the everlasting
akagara
gospel,
atiisa
Christ in you, the hope of glory, the
everlasting
mystery
gospel,
of
Kristu
godliness,
matiri, hope of
which
glory,
is
mystery
basically
yaMwari,
the third angel's message,
yaMwari,
which is the subject
inova iyo
of,
message
I'll just call
yengirozi
it being
yechitatu,
nice,
inova
Christ in you,
subject
which is
yekunge tiri
basically
vanhu
human rights
vakanaka,
and
Kristu
equality.
matiri, anova
And
mahuman rights kana kuti
I want to
equality.
suggest that we don't
Ndoda kusagesta
get hung
kuti
up trying to rubber stamp everything
tisazonyanya kuda
or the
kungoti
logical
rubber stamp
arguments
zvinhu
that
zvese
Adventists had
kana kuti
in the
malogical
late
arguments
19th
ese
century
ane adventism
about
mulate
all of
19th
this
century
imagery that we find in
maererano
the
neimagery
books of
yese
Daniel and
iyi
Revelation.
yatinowana mumabooks
Okay,
aDaniel
with that, I
naRevelation.
want to
Alright,
thank everybody.
naizvozvo
So I'm not sure how
toda kutenda
we
munhu
close
wese.
a meeting, but I'm going to close in prayer and I'm going
Handizozivi
to
kuti
hand it over
tinovhara sei
to
meeting,
our host.
tichavhara mumunamato
So let's close with
tozosvipa
prayer.
kuna host
I'm
wedu.
sorry there
Saka
were many
ngativharei
messages
mumunamato.
and many people wanted to speak.
Pane
I
mamessages
apologize we
anga
didn't
aripo
get through all of
akawanda
them.
vanhu vanga vachida kutaura.
Maybe
Ndinoromba handina kuzoverenga
maybe we
ese.
could save the chat and
Pamwe togona
it could get
kusevha
posted
chat
somewhere so that people can
yozopostwa pamwe
have a
pamwe,
record of that.
vanhu
Let's
vova
close with prayer.
nerekodi yayo. Ngativharei
Dear Lord,
mumunamato.
I want to
Mwari
thank
wedu,
you
tinoda
on behalf of
kukutendai
myself and
on behalf of inini
my fellow travelers, my friends,
nevamwe
my fellow
wandikufamba navo,
worshippers,
shamwari dzangu,
as
nevamwe
we
wandinonamata
try
navo.
to grapple with our
Patinozama
past,
kukikiritsana
not only our immediate past as
kwete
individuals,
immediate past
but
chetu
our past as
sema-individuals,
Adventists.
asi past chedu
There are
sema-Adventists.
questions that, unless
Pane
we are willing
mibvunzo
to confront,
yekuti
we
kunze
have to
kwokunge
leave unanswered.
tichishuvira
And those
kuiconfront,
unanswered questions
tinongotoisiya isina
will
mhinduro.
only
Mibvunzo isina mhinduro iyi
cause us to be distracted, cause us to
inotiita kuti tive
become
distracted,
unnerved, and cause us to
tive unnerved, uye tive nedoubt.
doubt the veracity of the Sabbath, the commandments,
kudhauta kuti sabata
and also the truthfulness
macommandments
of
zvakare
the great test.
chokwadi chegreat
Help
test.
us to understand what
Tibetsereiwo
Jones was trying to teach
kunzwisisa
us.
kuti
Help
Jones
us to
aizama
understand
kutidzidzisa
what
kuti
Ellen
kudii.
White was trying
Betserei
to
kunzwisisa
say
kuti
to
Ellen
us.
White aizamawo kuti
Be
chii
with us and
kwatiri.
bless us through this Sabbath day as
Ivai
we talk
nesu
to one another,
mutikomborerewo
our friends and our families,
musabata
as
rino
we share these thoughts with
patinotaurirana
one another,
shamwari dzedu mhuri
so
dzedu
that we may
patinosheya
become
mathoughts
more
aya
informed
pakati
and
pedu
more
tigovawo
anchored
informed
in the truth of the third angel's message.
tigovawo
In
anchored
Jesus' name,
muchokwadi chethird
amen.
angels message muzita